Lying awake in the dark, contemplate all that I see. Falling asleep in your arms, knowing by morning you'll leave. Was gonna give you everything. Was gonna give you me. Watching the hours go by, wondering how you could see. Lying awake in the dark, knowing by morning you'll leave. Was gonna give you everything. You didn't want me.
Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 212 of TO Need Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here on this Saturday night, which is awesome. Really grateful for that. And Bitcoin, with this Saturday going on, it's been making some upsloping price action, right? Moving up, currently sitting at 55.46. So, hey man, who cares? You know, that downsloping stuff we had, that resistance, we actually broke it now. And just continuing on up, right? Just the volume, you can't even see it anymore. It's so little. Positive momentum, I guess, is building, but whatever. Still have not even come close to a proper retrace from a swing high to swing low. Still just now breaking above the 236. We've done that a couple times, but have not been able to summon anything more than a crap out right back down below it. Okay, so 50 minutes left until your 4-hour close. So we'll see what happens on this weekend. But hey, you know one thing? 4-hour, we're way out of, we're out of oversold territory now. We've reset our oscillator. Looks pretty decent. I guess you're getting above the 20 MA on the 4-hour as well, right? Positive momentum's continuing to build. But, you know, okay, that was the 1 hour. The 4-hour chart, we just got it closed, right? A nice green candle. But look at the volume on the move up. It's like literally nothing. It's like the lowest volume you've had since we dumped, right? So, all right, man. Expected on the weekend, just nothing. All right, but hey, that's good for Ripple. Ripple's hitting over 50 cents. It's 51 cents right now, y'all. It's pumping. We'll take a look at it in a second. I'm going to take a look at chat first, right? So, hold on. I know there's you know, not that many people here tonight on a Saturday night.
What is Mitch? Can we do XRP BTC please? Wondering if I should just get out or hang on. Thank you, sir.
Hey, Skyward, man, thanks for the $20 contribution. My God, man, thank you, dude. Much freaking love. Okay, yeah, we'll look at that right after we look at the quint screen and the dual screen, the new feature. All right, and chat. Thanks, bro. Much love. Hope you had a great Saturday with friends, family, and loved ones. All right. What's up, Mr. Schaffer? Good to see you. You say thank God. Nice to see you too, man. All right. Crypto Tiger, Cheap Vlog was third. Matt W. What's up, Derek? Mag Carl. Good day, mate. Mr. Meme says TA and chill. That's right, dude. That's right, dude. You want to talk about ultra chill? Last night was ultra chill. If you missed last night's live stream, the late part, that was a record, okay? Out of 700 live streams, I do not believe we've ever streamed that late into the morning before. All right, so,
Been here almost every day in lurk mode. Just not active cause work has been insane.
Lurk mode? You be lurking, Jules, man? Dude, thanks for the 1212 contribution. Much freaking love, man. Thanks for the Monero emoji ball jar, dude. Hey, dude. If you're busy, you're busy. All right, so I'm just honored that you're lurking, okay? Because I'd rather you lurk than not watch it all, okay? So, dude, freaking love you, man. Thanks for being here through the good and the bad. And really, the worst part for a trader is when it's neither, right? Thanks for being here through that too. Okay, so thanks, man. Much love. What's up, Hush? Jonathan Krause. Mauricio says XRP. Why would you say XRP? XRP being Kang's, man. Gosh. So, Mr. Korea, man, Mr. Kanatomo. That's it. Keep going. Yeah, keep going, dude. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at Ripple. Just hang tight. We'll get to the chat, and we'll be Kangs, all right? Hey, Crypto Stang. XMR. The shape of Shafferman. Of course, dude. XMR. ABC. Okay. Sure thing, man. All in BCH, ABC. Oh, God, really? But we're about to look at those too. Okay. It's crazy. With the quint screen and the dual screen, we can knock out 5 charts very quickly. That's awesome, dude. Oh, Kang Logan. Awesome music. Little Jules here too. Skyward's here, man. We got the Jesus peoples in the house. Thank you all again for being here. All 120 off, right? Cardano up 4%. Oh, everything's up kind of right now. Bitcoin moving up like this, you get a lot of the alts do the same thing. They just kind of mimic this low volume. Okay. Dr. Big Toe, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Tajiasman, thank you, dude. Do you know Dr. Little Toe? Skyward, yep. LRC, got it, dude. Thanks again, man. Anthony Rosado says, Dookie Brothers. Sure, man. Sure. We should do a t-shirt giveaway if we get 300 before I start. Mr. Meme, believe that didn't happen, did it? Hey, Landcat, what's up, dude?
No friends, no family. Been working crazy hours. I'll be working through Thanksgiving and Christmas. No time to try to figure out strategy.
Man, Skyward, you can't say that about family because you got us, dude. Alright, just say it. So, John, man, thanks for the 512. Thanks for the 2512, dude. Freaking love you, man. And don't ever think you ain't got family, dude. Okay? Just saying. Thanks, dude. Alright. But there's a light at the end of the tunnel, right? So just keep working hard, and good things will pay off for you. Because that's how the universe works, right? Keep doing the right thing, and things will work out. Alright? Caress and fondle the likes, King Logan? Sounds super sexual. It's a little early in the evening in the show to get so sexual. Alright. XRP WTF. Why WTF, y'all? What are y'all upset? Y'all, your reactions to Ripple moving up is like you're mad. But it doesn't seem, you might not be mad, okay? So, what's up, Princess Riley? Good to see ya. Really good to see ya. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. What's up, Chrisidin? Sure thing, Chrisidin. I'm glad you're here. Thank you so much for all your support, okay? Uh-oh, Peter S. is saying XRP is better than Bitcoin. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
Last night was for the real ones. Anyways, still learning here every day. On OSTK, is that a falling wedge? Indicators look good on the daily. Thanks, man.
Overstock, huh? Overstock.com. Whoa. Yeah, we can look at it, definitely. Does anyone shop there? Do you shop there? Black Plasma, dude, thanks again for the contribution. Just curious, who uses Overstock? Do they have good deals? Because they're publicly traded. How can they actually have good deals when they have to turn a really, really good profit every quarter, right? Thanks, dude. We will look at it, and I'm going to make note of that, what you just said, okay? Okay, sweet. Awesome. Peter S is, listen to this, man. Peter S is asking people to fight him if they think Bitcoin's better than Ripple. Why do we have to have fights about Ripple and Bitcoin? They're different.
What up, El Ray? What is up, everyone? I have also been in lurk mode. Been here every day. Glad to see everyone still at Haiti. And as always, please remember to do not get wrecked.
Mr. Freaking Damon, man. Hey, since you've been lurking and haven't seen you in a minute, let's make sure. Are you staying off the Nutella? Okay? Because I'm still staying on this chair. Friggin' love you, man. Thank y'all, lurkers, okay? Thank y'all for just chiming in and saying hi. I mean, the contributions, those are incredible. You can just say hi in chat. You don't have to tip if you don't want to, but thank y'all. Seriously, that's awesome hearing from y'all, okay? Thank y'all. All right. God. Stop making my heart feel so warm, all right? So wholesome in here, y'all. So wholesome. What's up, Astro Dreaming? What was this, Princess Riley? You don't have your setup, or you would? What are you talking about? Oh, co-streaming? Do a collaboration with Princess Riley? Who would want to see that in chat? What's up, Fish Fishy, man? You got to at the beginning this time? Awesome, man. Nice Jabber, I'm so happy to hear that Patreon, you're learning a lot. You're getting value out of it, man. Okay. Very, very happy to hear that. I'm an advanced catfish. Yes, advanced catfish. What's up, S-Taj? Thanks, Jonathan. We're almost through, well, we're trying to get through chat. Hey, John B, man, looking for an entry point on XRP. We're gonna look at it, okay? Starseed JD, next dip down. The weird thing about it is, man, like, the common retrace hadn't done it. We have not made those common retraces yet from a swing high to swing low. We're only messing around with the 236, and we're not. I mean, you really got to break that 5650 area. If you break 56, 57 easy, okay, then all of a sudden you feel more confident to believe that we could get a breakdown. Okay, we could easily see between 5700 and 6000. All right, each one of these fib nodes is confluent with a different type of support back from the from this year. Like legit, every single one. The 382, well, actually, no, 382 isn't. Okay, 382 is close to this. Yeah, I guess it's off just a little bit, but the 50% back from August, and then the 618 back from October 11th. Okay, so the 50% and 618 seem like they could be good resistances. I don't know. I had a measure move of an inverse head and shoulders. It's not one at all. Crypto Trucker had like a triangle drawn, which seemed like it made a lot of sense. It looked good to me. But I can guarantee you the widest area of that triangle on the 60 minutes, it was about the same measured move as, you know, what I had plotted. Okay. So, yeah, I think we could see maybe 5,800. All right. Just the down sloping stuff. It's weird. All right. Really weird. Okay, anyway, positive momentum is continuing to build on the 4 hour, so we could keep extending on up on low volume, whatever, and maybe see 5,700. After we hit 5,700, we could reverse to the downside. All right. But it's good to see us break above the 20. All right. So far away. This 50 in May is 59.64. That's how fast this drop was. And us seeing 4.5 on the RSI, you could almost expect to see some sort of retrace at that point, and we have, and now we're back to 37 on the RSI on the 4 hour, which is reasonable, and we could break down. We've reset our RSI. We've reset. Okay. That's it. All right. Why does it do that, man? There we go. I have to do that. No, there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, so Ripple, right? We broke below the... This is all Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin movement really screwed things up, but Ripple's trying to get back into the swing of the channel it was in. Like, we broke above it, and we actually back tested it as a support when we got back inside of it and ran, and now we're at the very top of this downsloping channel. Why is that off, man? XRP is the greatest digital asset ever created, I think, ever. Hold on. But when you curse, it's all default, dude. So don't think I'm like trying to be a square and not let you curse on TTS. You should be able to. I'll have to turn off the filter. I didn't know this till I reviewed it, but when you curse on Streamlabs, Stream Elements is good, I think, but Streamlabs, that's funny because you said asset and it bleeped you out. Looking forward to the analysis. Thanks, man. Dude, you didn't even say anything bad, Chris. TTS won't talk if there's any sort of curse word, but you didn't curse. Wow, man. Thanks, Chris, man, for the $10 contribution. Much love, man. Seriously. And I don't know why it's not showing up on the quad screen. Makes no sense, man. What the heck? Oh, I get it. I get it now. All right. Huh. Well, let me fix that real quick then. What the beat, man? Where's my alert? Just looking for it. Should just be alerts. I don't know. I might have to deal with it later if I can't figure it out. Oh, I guess I don't even have it. Huh. I got it now. All right, it should pop up now if you tip now with Streamlabs. All right. Anyway, I don't know. We don't have it. So anyway, with Ripple sitting at 51.5 cents, pretty much the highest high we've seen all day, the highest high we've seen since November 14th. So just a few days ago, right, when we were on our way down because of Bitcoin. Thanks, Bitcoin. But we've recovered, man. We recovered almost all our value from Bitcoin's dumping. That's amazing. That's awesome. Everything else is not doing that, right? XLM is kind of trying to do it. But here you go, Litecoin at the top right of your screen, downsloping channel. You're still outside of it, right? You zoom in a little bit on Litecoin. What are you doing? You attempted to break back into it. You failed. You might just be flagging right now, like a bear flag of some sort, and just struggling with that 20 MA. It's terrible, man. It's just Litecoin. Litecoin and Ethereum are in really, really bad downtrends, okay? They've been in like worse downtrends than Ripple and Bitcoin. Ethereum in the top left, you have a bearish rectangle, huge impulse down, then sideways price action, measure move, either 150 or 195, and then bottom left of your screen is Stellar Lemons XLM that is held strong, held true to this upsloping channel we've been in truly since early August. So you almost fell out. Thank you, Bitcoin, for the volatility. That's what it does. Bitcoin affects everything like this. So you fell out, but you're back in, just like Ripple. You fell out, you're back in. You're back to business as usual, all right? Okay, sweet. So that's it. Is your quint screen, and now let's go to the scrub loser split, right? The split scrubs. So you got Bitcoin Cash, Scrub V, and then Bitcoin Cash always be crap. Okay. It's been nothing but pain and despair here. All right, there we go.
Been meaning to ask since the other scare a few weeks ago this question. Why is your Bitcoin price so different than Binance Bitcoin price? And no Nutella. Forever.
No Nutella forever? What just happened? What was the other Jesus chimes? I think maybe sub? But how was that a sub? That doesn't make sense. Oh, maybe someone followed on Twitch, but why are my lights not going off? Because my Lumia is not on. Got it. Okay. Okay, my Lumia is now on. Make sure I got these. I got this new. Okay, now I've got the widget. The Streamlabs widget is up. You will see next time that happens. All right. Okay. Anyway, make sure I got this. Why is my Bitcoin price so different than the Binance Bitcoin price? Because you're looking at different exchanges, and you're looking at the US dollar versus the US dollar. Like, okay, US dollar fiat versus the US dollar tether. They are different. They are valued differently. All right, and that's why, Mr. Damon Man. All right. Hope that helps. We're just going with fiat because people are freaked out with tether, and we just want to go with fiat based. Okay, so that's it. It's and it's like people are like, what do we use? What do we use? And it's like, well, might as well just go with the safe play and just use the actual US dollar, the fiat, right? That's it, Mr. Damon Man. I'm just going with that. Okay. One love, dude. Seriously, thank you. So yeah, you got the scrubby split hard fork of the hard fork, and you had a huge impulse down, retraced 78% from the swing low to swing high, and now we're flagging. Looks like a bear pole, bear flag of some sort. All right, we now that we are, it's relative. It's not relative anymore to have these fibs. We can just have new fibs, right? So we'd say how far we retrace from the swing high to swing low. Retrace 38% of the way. We can't break it. We're having issues. So now, since we've hit our common retrace zone, we can watch to see if this is where we will break down. And if it's the bear pole bear flag combination, we know measure move down can be very, very dramatic, right? So you're gonna pulse down, break down, right? So measure move looks like. Measure move down here. Good God. No real substance on the other one, man. On the ABC, always be crap. It's just in a downtrend, right? I just chose anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top because the heartline respect was so nice. I mean, every time you try to run up above it, you fail tremendously. When you did break it, you ran up. And look, we did. We back tested it. We held it as support. And we're continuing up. So that's why I chose my anchor points for the downsloping channel. That's it. Okay. All right. Anyway, so I don't even know what that Jesus channel was, Dan. It was so weird. What was there? Okay. Let's go to Ripple. Ripple's number 2. We're number 2. Probably gaining more market cap. Probably, you know, extending its lead over Ethereum. And number 2 market cap, right? Very cool. This is why I left both these channels up, okay? This is why I left my old channel up. Extend it out. And have the new one, right? Because you do have 2 things going on here. You really, really do. I should have got this like pinpoint. All right, so, you know, the downsloping channel we've been in. All this right here had to do with Bitcoin freaking out. We know that. So if we should regard Bitcoin, right, as, you know, a variable that could affect our price action. But if you recover so fast like this, and then you back test, look, you broke out and you got back in, you back tested, you said, okay, we're confirming that this is now, we're back in this channel. We've run up and now we're at the top and we're respecting the top, right? Swing out of swing low, we were at the 618, you know, that's your, the end of your common retrace zone, right? So definitely holding that. We can get rid of this so you can see. It looks like it makes a lot of sense, right? But we know the lowest areas of risk, quite possibly the highest reward areas, are down between, at this point, between 42 and 44 cents. Okay, we make our way down, if we ever can get back down here. All right, that's all I think. I wonder if we would come and back test this 25% trend line again and run. We could, but just remember what kind of trend we're quite possibly in. If Bitcoin making moves like it did doesn't hurt Ripple much, man, that's wonderful. That's just, it's an anomaly on this market. Most things on this market are getting destroyed by Bitcoin dumping. So XRP and XLM are lone anomalies in this pretty bearish market for Bitcoin. All right, very low volume. So good stuff, man, on Ripple. Again, the lowest areas of risk, 42 to 44 cents at some point, if we can get down here. All right, use anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I chose that because of the touch points, the respect we were getting everywhere, literally everywhere, man. It's so perfect. It's pretty clear the market is interpreting this upsloping channel. So if we break down and we can hold the 25% trend line, that would give us a higher low than our previous low. It would be back testing a support, and we might be able to run up again and maybe hit the heart line again to hit 58 cents. Okay. But you would prefer that Bitcoin lacks volatility and doesn't do much for as long as possible. Okay, because when Bitcoin gets volatile, it's going to derail a lot of stuff all the time. Trade setups, everything gets derailed when Bitcoin dumps. Okay, so before you analyze it, any kind of altcoin, make sure you've analyzed thoroughly Bitcoin and you know where Bitcoin's at in its price consolidation, in its pattern development. All right, what it's doing on the oscillators. So that's it. So we love you, Ripple Kangs. We love you technically. All right, we're not picking sides. We're just saying, hey man, it's really cool to see a certain crypto when it's so bad all over the market, it holds up and does well. Okay, you got to give it props. Okay, that's it. Don't take it so like, you know, oh, I'm a fanboy. Like, not a fanboy. Just think it's doing well. Okay, huge impulse down, bearish rectangle. Whether we break to the upside or downside, not really concerned about it. Don't care. We know our targets, and that's all we care about. Target would be 150 again. That I was talking about, or 195. All right. taking the widest areas of the rectangle from the breakout, doing that, gave us 195. Doing it from this side, gave us 150. All right, that's it. That's literally it. You had bullish divergence, believe it or not. Okay, from this low, you made a lower low, and then you actually double bottomed or whatever and made a higher level of relative strength. So higher levels of relative strength with lower prices, that's wonderful. Okay, that's good to see. We might break the upside even more, but again, all that being said, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Make sure to check out Bitcoin, man. All right. Jeez, man. I think we should have gotten stopped out on LRC already, Skyward Man. So, I don't know. Did you get a running stop or did you just not set one up? Right. I believe our entry was look left. Unless we, yeah, like we were saying, there was support here at 1500. Look, we broke out of this channel. We couldn't hold this at all. It didn't do anything, and now here we are at September 11th lows. Okay, just kind of like Ethereum did the same thing. All right. We are making bullish divergence, so low on price, lower low on price, lowest low on price. Okay, so nice on the RSI. Not really doing anything on the MACD. Okay, it's almost like low or a high, a lower high, higher levels. That's like a form of hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence. Okay, so not bad. So we could break to the upside, but I don't know what to tell you, man. We could try our best to plot a channel here. God, it's really bad, man. God, man, this thing sucks. Just try new anchor points, I guess. You can't. You could try to call it a wedge all you want, but I don't think it is. It looks like it's just a yeah. There you go. That's perfect, man. Perfect. So just a 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, downsloping channel, and a critical area support. You're actually making lower lows than that support, right? Which you're holding it right now. You're actually using it as resistance. Okay. Good God, man. These S coins, dude. It's tough, dude. It's a tough market. These S coins in a bear market. After look at this, man. I mean, right? You had the downtrend. You broke out of it, and now you're back down to your lowest low of the entire year. That's it. So yeah, you could keep going. You could easily, if you wanted to. I don't know why we wouldn't at this point. Why would we not hit 1,096? We could break the upside again, but we could easily come on down to 1,096. And if the market wants to be a scrub more, then we could easily see 671. Okay, so dude, it's a very bearish market. Okay, very, very bearish market. It's harder going long on these. Okay, you take your chance when you have the breakout, when you hit those areas of support, when on the retrace and stuff, and when they crap out, they crap out, man. We're just right at the September 11th low. Okay, man. So I can't tell you. I'm telling you that the RSI is showing bullish divergence at a critical area support, but it's not to say we couldn't break down and go lower to 1100 sats, back to December 14th, the 2017 lows, which would be the lowest low of the year for us. Okay. Of 2018, that is. All right. Okay. What else? Okay, now look at Overstock. We've looked at it. We haven't looked at it in a while, though. We broke out bearishly of our right angled and descending broadening formation. False breakout. You remember that earnings? That earnings? Yep, earnings, and then just dumped, man. So hot, so bad. So you're asking if it's a falling wedge? How could we get a falling wedge here? We could try, I guess. Is that you're trying to do this, man? I'm gonna try to make sense of what you're asking, but I don't know, man. You trying to do this? Somewhat. It's okay, but you're not really getting the touch points that you'd want, right? There's a lot, the white space, right? Is this what you're looking at? You're trying to do it like that. Kind of arbitrary. Kind of definitely arbitrary. I can see what you're talking about. We might pop to the upside. We're on the daily. Let's see. Low. So we got bullish divergence on the daily. And we got bullish divergence on the MACD. Shoot, man. We had bullish divergence here and then dumped even more. Okay, let's try this. So, I get what you're saying, man. I get it, but dude, this is kind of grasping here, okay? Kind of grasping. I just don't think we have the touch points. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, man, if I have to if I can barely see it, I guess I can see it, but there's no touch point that makes sense at all. So. Okay. It's not that pretty, dude. But if this was to play out, if the daily divergence was to play out, right? Like it did before, for the upside, how would we play it? Okay, how would we play it? I wouldn't use this. And if you use a fib like this instead of this, you're not going to hurt yourself. All right, say this is the lowest low. We don't know. Okay, so you're kind of reaching here, really, really reaching. What are we holding? We're not really holding support. We've got one little support, 1735, and we broke a bunch of other supports. So if this was the pop of the upside, say this played out, the oscillators played out, we could expect between 27.20 and 33.55 if we were to retrace. That's it. That's all I can do. I'm trying to work with you, but yeah, I mean like anchor point 1 and 2 and now 3. That's it.
Thanks, man. I mistakenly set my stop to low. I'll be making that correction ASAP. Have fun tomorrow. Remember, expectations are the deal. Channel your inner Bobby and all will be fine. Twitch raid.
Expectations are the D-Bell. The D-Bill. Or the devil. You know, no expectations. If it goes crappy, whatever, right? No expectations, exactly. So, if y'all don't know what he's talking about, I'm going to see Princess Riley. She's visiting, and she's up in Atlanta. We're gonna go meet halfway to go get lunch and just hang out, okay? And see how it goes. That's it, chat. All right, just for all those who weren't awake when all this happened in the night stream. The night stream was lit, okay? So that's it. Thanks to Scour Man for the 512. Let's do some more chat. What the heck, dude? I see some names and some people's in here. Hold on, thanks for the dislikes, y'all. Appreciate that, losers. Thanks for the 119 likes, though. Appreciate y'all. Hey, Chris Karan, thanks for the sub on YouTube, the Jesus Man. Thank you, dude. Oh, let's get a like spike. If you're in here and you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks for the 153 here. All right. King Logan, I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Crypto Castle, I'm doing well, man. How are you doing, dude? Oh, there's Jeff, man. Hey, Jeff, what's up? CCCP Robes, man. What's up, dude? Hope you're having a good one. Is this partially why? What are you talking about, dude? Hey, Aaron M. Good to see it. Hey, side girl. You're glad you can spark the community's interest in my love life? Yeah, I guess so. Princess Riley. American Express AXP is officially using Ripple's X-Current XRP news today. Heck yeah, Matrix Man. Thanks for the update, dude. Thanks for the news, dude. Bitcoin ETF has been approved in Switzerland. Mitch Gray, thanks, man, for that info. Really appreciate that, y'all. That's awesome contributions to chat, okay?
Mitch, do you actually trade much? Or just mostly do TA? Just wondering if some TA guys I noticed don't trade on Wall Street and just do the TA for some financial groups.
Yeah, there are definitely technical analysts that do that. But yeah, I trade. For sure, man. I take my positions, man. Like, I'm still in a Ripple position that a swing trade that's been going on since hold on, sorry. Since like September 18th. Right? So yeah, man, I definitely trade, man. All right. I just I don't like flaunt it. I don't like show it on screen. That's like, hey man, the show I have is a coin request show, or a stock request, or a currency request. You request a chart, I do it for you. If you want education, I do all I can to educate, right? This isn't called live trading. There are people that do live trading. Those are live trading shows, and that's what they specifically do, right? And they're not going to take your request, right? They're going to do their own thing for themselves. They're not worried about you, right? So just a different type of show that I do. No one was really doing what I was doing. So I said, why not? This is my idea. I'm gonna stick with it, and people like it. So I'm still doing it today, right? But yeah, definitely trade. Is XRP doing things, variable guy? Yeah, man. 51.47 cents right now. What's up, Crypto SB man? Raven was in a falling wedge. Okay, you're talking about mining. However, Raven has been the most profitable coin to mine on NVIDIA GPUs for a while now. Can you give us a lowdown on the price action? I can put Raven on the list yet. We were looking at a possible reversal, maybe. But again, also look like a channel too, so. Rising wedge on XRP in the 60-minute. Yeah, and we've retraced 61% of the way from that major swing high to swing low. So that's your common retrace might retrace the downside, or you might break to the downside now after that nice move. That's a really nice move, man. 51.5 cents. We're back to where we were before Bitcoin dumped, right? Or right around that same price. So black collar crypto. Just reading chat, okay. I'm enjoying my Saturday night, okay? Wait, did I get your sub? Brazilian Bacon, did you? No, I did not get your sub, Brazilian Bacon, man. Well, it didn't pop up. No, I did not get your sub, Brazilian Bacon, man. it's not showing up at all on Streamlabs, like on anything, on my subs or my tips or whatever. Are you sure you subbed? But dude, yo, Brazilian Bacon, you're OG, man. Good to see you again. Haven't seen you in a while. Thanks, Jonathan Krause, man. Oh, well, we love you too, Matt Shaper, man. What's up, Quasi Tulip? Mr. Magoog. The beard is fiercer than you realize, Raymond Mitchell. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. It's annoying. It's really annoying having to trim it so much, okay? And when I trim it, it looks... and there's so much hair in the sink. I'm like... It looks like nothing changed at all. Crypto Capsule, yeah. Ethereum, super bearish. Litecoin, super bearish. Bitcoin Cash could very well be bearish. I don't know how that's good. What has happened with the fork, hard fork? How could that be good? All right, the technicals look pretty gross. They look like they're setting up for lower prices for sure. Hey, Pizza Palo, man. Good to watch the Knights, UCF Knights tear through Cincinnati. Yep, undefeated, 10-0, man. What's up, Crypto Cracker? Well, Princess Rally, nice. Roll Tide, you trying to steal my heart? Okay. Hey, Tom, Crypto Newbie Man. Good vibes to you. Hello, Martin. See ya. Thanks, man. Lit health wrap. Who knew? What's up, dude? Mike Tron. Or Mike Tron. Because the dean of my college, or dean of my school of my college, right? Her name was Dr. Tron, and it's T-R-A-N like you, and so her name was Tron though, not Tran. So I think Mike Tron, is that it? Am I excited for tomorrow, Princess Raleigh? Yeah, certainly excited, yes. Thanks, Crypto Capsule. You love it and you don't even trade Willpower, man? That's... So what do you love about it, Willpower? Tell me, if you're in here and you don't trade, what do you all like about the show? We're just doing specific technical analysis, which coincides heavily with trading. Oh, dude, Jordan G, there's no way to really know. It seems really scammy and sketchy, okay? That is unsustainable, and there's no telling what that is, Jordan. I don't think anyone really knows, okay? Yeah, Tua looked good today, Milko. Not as good as my date tomorrow, though. I don't know, Tua's pretty freaking good, man. He's going to win the Heisman. Like, it's like certain. I'm so happy I placed a futures bet at the beginning of the season before the first game. It was 4-1 for Tua to win the Heisman. It looks like I'm going to get paid on that. Love it, man. Princess Rally, you love the beard? Thanks. Brian Kelly, I'm glad to hear you love the music. Brian Kelly, I'm working on getting Spotify set up and adding a widget, so you're going to be able to see the music and you won't have to ask anymore, okay? So I'm working on that, so just remain patient with me, and I'll soon have that set up as another amenity of this show. All right, holy crap, right? The graphics and knowledge. Thanks, Will, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Y'all are incredible. Y'all are freaking amazing. Thanks for the kind words and support, right? Dang, y'all. Seriously, thanks for the 142 freaking likes. Dude, we've been live for less than an hour and we have 142 likes. Y'all are incredible, okay? Let's keep these likes going, man. Holy crap. Yeah, because health wrap, you know, man, 90% trading is waiting. Okay. Seriously. There's freaking Julia. Oh my god. Julia, I didn't see you. Am I crazy? Julia, seriously, are you just getting here? I don't know. Alright, for Mr. Schaffer. Dang, man. False breakout much? You can't tell me it wasn't price contraction and we didn't break out of it. And we've popped to the up. Look at the bullish divergence. Broke to the upside even more. Okay. Very cool. All right. Very, very nice. So, let's fib it now. So we know we have our swing low and the double bottom. So we hit that 50%. Retrace. What the heck, man? Did my Twitch just freak out? Why did it show that? I understand. So we've hit that 50% retrace. That is your common retrace. You're in the zone right now. So at any point now, if we wanted to, we could break to the downside. Look at the volume that came in on this pump to the upside. Very, very nice to see that. But as discussed, Mr. Shab, remember, man, the last time we looked at this, we were talking about impending price action reversal here. And it looks like we've got it, but to the extent of how high we've gone, is just common after such a nasty impulse. So we could reverse to the downside. That's it. But hey, it's good to see that we're back in the triangle. And if you want to zoom out and look at our channel, so well respected, man. So freaking well respected. I just did anchor point 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And why did I do that? Because look at the touch points on the 25, support, resistance, all on the heart line, and then the resistance on the 25, and then the support on the heart line, support on the 75, and then we were just unable. We tried, false breakout, broke back down, and now you're getting right back out again. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So good to see us false breaking out of our huge symmetrical triangle for now. That's it. So we got like 4 minutes and 30 seconds till our 60-minute close across the market. So, and they're just like that, man. Just like that. We have pulled back and we're at the 382 now. Okay. Really, really nice volume came in to prop us up for now. Liquor cabinet to the left, side girl going in. Oh god, side girl's gonna get lit tonight. Brian Griffin's here for the Jesus chimes. Jonathan says this is a very positive community and the music kicks butt. Jonathan, man, thank you, dude. I'm glad to hear that. Logo Dinosaur says Greenbow, Alabama. I might not be a very smart man, but I knew how to rub ointment on new tattoos for at least a week. Logo Dinosaur, what are we talking about here, man? We're talking about Princess Riley's new tattoo. MJO's here for the fireworks. Wow, we have all these diversified reasons why. That's awesome. What's up, Crypto Scooby, man? My night's going well. Just been a wonderful day of college football. Actually, really kind of one of the worst weeks ever for college football. Dude, they're all a bunch of tune-up games because we have rivalry week coming next week. The Iron Bowl, the Egg Bowl. Thank God for the Egg Bowl being on Thanksgiving. What will we even do on Thanksgiving without the Egg Bowl? All right. Okay, we got less than a minute now to look on the 8s. That's right, stacking thinner, man. I lost a bet today by 1.5 points. It's whatever. It happens. Part and parcel. Hey, Lynn Marito, November. No shave November, right? But November is good too. But I don't ever shave. I always trim with scissors. Okay. What's up, Starseed JD? Yep, Death Cross. You're right, man. Death Cross happened on November 16th, just yesterday. Good eye, Starseed. Thanks, man. Am I marriage material, Aaron M? Is this what you're saying? Gosh dang, son of a gun. AA Ron. James Glenn. You're not here with TA tonight. You're just here to hang out, Mr. Dinosaur. You feel lucky to be here tonight for the marriage proposal, Crypto Minds? What? You hate the roll tide. Hey, congratulations on your beatdown of a top 25 foe, Iowa State. That was who I lost. That's the bet I lost. Okay, lost by 1.5 points. Hey, need a chin. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. We can't give you a chin, but welcome to the community. All right, thank you for being here. Much love. What's up, coin heads? You hold besides Bitcoin, XLM, GoChain, Maker, XMR. I own a few XMR, XRP, Smitty, and then if we just want to go through it, and this is based on the word I gave. Hey, my kid, man, it's you. I feel so good.
There was one big rivalry game today. UCL of Akakest C.
Hey, yeah, dude. What did the what was the final score of that one, dude?
All the S coins look like false breakouts. Thanks Mitch, been at it all day, and thanks to the community picking me up and dusting me off fire, ready to try again.
Dust it off, man. Dust it off your shoulder, Mr. Shaffer, man. You're coming in here. What are you, some sleek guy, Mr. S? You don't want to be Mr. Shaffer anymore? You want to be Matt S? I can call you Matt S if you want me to. I just like calling you Mr. Shaffer, and I like calling Mr. Kanatomo Mr. Kanatomo. All right, so it's just a title I give certain individuals. Okay, man. Dude, thanks for the 444 repeating, of course. I want to check out this. Hold on. Oh wow, yeah, 1514 probes. Oh my god, dude. That's awesome, man. That's seriously sick. Thanks, Brian, man. No, wait, no, you're saying the line work, this line work. I think you're talking about the tattoo, right? Hey, what's up, Socrates, man? Hadn't seen you in a minute, dude. Thanks for being here, okay? I'm glad to hear you are learning things and getting value out of this stream, okay? Hey, SMR Classic. Don't bet against the horns. Yeah, no, man. It burned me. Dude, whatever. Iowa State had pretty good chance going in. I'm sorry that their freshman quarterback didn't know how to perform in your stadium, okay? Yo, Mitch, does your XRP tip bot have an address? How do you send it? Ripple nipple? What? Of course it has an address. You can QR scan it right here. You see that up there? That's the XRP QR reader. So just go ahead and scan it. Just hit full screen of this if you don't have full screen, and it'll work, okay? I can't keep up, Mr. Kiwi, Mr. Crypto Kiwi from Sauron's land. I cannot, seriously. Wow, XRP, Crypto W. Yeah, dude, hey, let's take a look at it real quick, alright? I think y'all might like this. Starting to break that down, sloping resistance. Holy crap, let's go. Here we go, man. Pumping some, just a little. But you clearly see this downsloping resistance. We're cracking it right now. Positive momentum is building hard, and your RSI has plenty of room to run. We're at 62 right now. We're in bullish territory, and we're not overbought at all. So you got fuel to run. Cracking the 618 as well. Very cool right now on Ripple, what it's doing. But hey, man, is that surprising? The fact that we're in a bull trend, we're in an uptrend right now. Until things change, we are in an uptrend. You cannot deny that. If you deny that, give me some evidence besides your fees, your feels, all right? Thanks. Your girlfriend's doing No Shave November? Good God, dude. Brazilian wax to her luxury package. Steak Center, man. It sounds like Valentine's Day, doesn't it? But you can be thankful for something, I guess, right? When that when November's over. Kappa. Crypto Scooby, why so many dislikes? Oh, there's a, you know, there's a little bitty pathetic little group of people that are weird, that have they're on the fringe of society. They got big problems, man. I don't know. They like spending their time doing that, okay? And quietly, it seems throughout the show, we're picking away at the final boss. Y'all see this? He's almost done for. He's in his final form now.
XRP/BTC is now a different chart than USD. On the 4-hour chart of XRP/BTC starting mid-September till now, is that an inverse head and shoulders we breaking out of?
Take a look at it. Hey, Jordan G, thanks for the 777, the burst coin in the jar. Thanks, dude. Get it right now. Why not? Since we're already on Ripple. Dude, I had a lot of trouble trying to plot the upswing to this. You see this channel that's so perfect, lines up like just, it's like undeniable. This is the way the market is interpreting it with how many touch points we get. But when I go here, I was like stumped. I was like, I kind of like just gave up on it. It's crazy, man. This is as good as I could get, man. This is as good as I could get. I did 1 and 2 on the bottom like before, and I did just 1 on the top. Look, if you see there's a wick here, this is what lined up perfectly. All right. But if we're here, look what we're doing. We're touching that in, let's see, September. Oh, it feels so good!
Little tips.
Oh my God, dude. That's, wow. I wonder if he ever came in the stream, if he saw that as the boss, right? He would be triggered. Okay, man. You can't kill that moon boy. But it seems you just did. For reals. Thanks, Mr. UCLA. In the jar. Alright, man. Dude, we should have a UCLA themed night for beating USC. Right? We could do that. Look, since I've got I'm representing here for, you know what, probes, man.
Is that a joint?
Bet my whole check on Mr. Pissed at Mr. Sabine. Laid 51 points, they only scored 50. Bull once your ass and were wrecked. Last night loved Julia Glia 88888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888ád.
Hold on. For probes. Because I know it was a big win. A big rivalry win. We'll do something for you, man. Alright. Sometimes I have so much stuff. I'd be so pissed if I ever lost all this. My overlays. Really? Where is it, man? Oh, whatever. Did y'all see Ohio State almost lose? And then West Virginia lost? Wait, yeah, they lost. They had a 17-point lead at one point or something like that. Stupid. Here you go, probes, man. We're just gonna have this little guy just hanging out right here, okay? All night. What was his name again? What was your bear's name? 34-27, good guys. What happened, Jeff, man? Sweet Socrates, man. Well, I'm glad you're here listening, alright? What's up, Luke Jones? XRP off wallet. But here we go, man. Like, inverse head and shoulders. You see the symmetry is not there, right? I get what you're talking about. I get where it's really not. I don't think at all. Dude, you want to have symmetry. The more symmetrical, the more textbook something looks, the higher the chance it's going to be interpreted that way on the market. I really don't think this is any kind of head and shoulder. Dude, it's just too oblong and too weird, right? You want to have symmetry. Right? Right, you want to have that symmetry, right, where it's like close to being the same. Okay. Oops. Right, we don't have that here. You see this, the difference? I'm just talking about, like, see this 223, and then you got like 82, right? It's just not it. Okay. But we can say we don't have to have a pattern here. There doesn't have to be one. I understand it though. I get it, man. That's great that you might think that. All right, maybe I'm completely wrong here. If that's what you're talking about, right? So let me read back what you said. Starting in mid-September, so I might be wrong. Mid-September, where if this was starting here, I don't see, it looks like a double bottom. There was an inverse head and shoulder right here. This was a trade setup we did, right? So, but it blasted off, and here we are about to hit the heart line on this pair. Okay, 91.31. Good God, right? Being Kangs. Look how we bounced off that 200 MA right there. Powerful. So the heart line's being respected, but not so much this 25. You see it's a lot choppier, kind of getting disrespected a lot more than the US dollar pair. That's why I was kind of frustrated with it. But you can see back here, heart line 25, 75 resistance. So, and then the heart line's good here. Okay, so I still stuck with this. And if that's the case, look where we are. And here on the Bitcoin pair, we're overbought, right? We're at 74, 75. You're showing bullish convergence. You're making higher prices with higher levels of positive momentum. That's good. So yeah, man, but right here at this respected heart line, high risk up here after the run. There you go, man. I don't know about inverse head and shoulder though. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If that was the case, we had already broken out, right? What happened? Logo dinosaur, man. Get wrecked, probes, man. Sorry about the Adam's apple at the club, Castro district, man. Why does my chat do that, man? Like my restream just goes down. I wish there was a reason for it, man. It just does it. XRP tip bot contract. They don't show on screen, Bearable Guy, but if I receive the... Oh, hey! Chris Winsett, man. Sorry, 10 minutes ago. I didn't notice it, man. Sorry, I guess I was entranced in a chart. Thanks for the 20 XRP, dude. Chris, man. Thank you so much, dude. So when I get it, Bearable Guy, I give the... And then we'll do this, too. This is for Chris Winsett for the 20 XRP. That's it. Thanks so much, dude. I have 39 more tips coming from you on Twitter, Bearable Guy. As soon as it shows me on my app, it should signify. So I don't know why it's taking so long.
Thanksgiving is upon us. What is the community thankful for?
Nice Shaver, thanks for the 444 again, dude. The deals, man. I'll tell you what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for starting from nothing early this year, in mid to late February, and finding people and being found, and meeting people that had common interest with me, and people that wanted to learn, people that wanted to be a part of something, and that's different, that is different than everything else that's out there right now. Okay, so I'm just I feel blessed to have this community, man. I'm serious. This community, my life's done a 180 from last year. Okay, got out of a miserable, abusive relationship that I've been in for a really long time. Around this, not anymore, about a month ago, so like about 13 months ago, I got out of it, and it was just terrible. And so finding y'all, you've really given me the courage and strength to get over that, and I'm just happy to be able to do things that I love every single day. All right, so that's me, Mr. Shaver, man. What about you? What about y'all, chat? What do y'all think before? Okay. We may show bull volumes weak, yeah. Sure. Not really here. Volume's elevated here. Volume's picked up tremendously since we broke to the upside. As you can see, look, scrub volume of the downtrend, and then we popped. We are higher than our 52-week average now. Okay, continuously. Have you seen this Moon Boy, Mr. Kantomo? Yeah, he was Kang. John Muir. So, Walk Australia, man. I just met you and I love you. Doug from UP. UP. What is the what does that acronym stand for? UP. Oh, the UCLA USC score? Oh, Joe Bruin. Okay, well, we got Joe Bruin. He's brewing next to the whiskey jar, all right? The Class A whiskey jar. I thought it was 15 to 14 probes. Now, was my thing not updated or something? Is that bearish divergence on the RSI and XRP to BTC? Yes, it sure is, dude. Good call. Yeah, high on price, higher high on price, lower levels of relative strength. Good call, man. Yes, no code. You're actually also showing it here too. But the thing with this is neither of these have finished, right? No, this has not started rounding out. We're making the higher highs. We've not started to show any kind of reversal yet. But you could assume almost, right, hitting this critical resistance that we've respected multiple times, all over the whole way. Power line is being respected. So this is an area where one might pull back a little bit or move a stop up, right? It looks great though. Just to pump up from the big wigs, Mr. Nakamoto? Maybe so. You meant for the 20? Your math is not your forte, variable guy man? You meant enough for $20? Variable guy? Are you sure you sent it because, you know, the BD of XRP, the transaction is extremely fast. I think we were testing it last night. Must have TA book, Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Thomas Wilkowski. Princess Raleigh. Hey, look, oh my God, look what you said, Princess Raleigh. 11:11 and 11 seconds. Let me screenshot this real quick. That's crazy, dude. What are you doing? What the heck, man? Let me show y'all what I see. Well, that's crazy, dude. Freaking crazy. Y'all see this? She said hot Mitch Ray at 11:11:11. Crazy world we live in. All right, just saying. Cool. Aroused eggplant formation. Ultimate bull run. Oh my God, it's super sexual in here, chat. Do some push-ups tonight. Maybe I should, right? I've been doing this lately anyway. Oh, Bitcoin volume is low. Also, I'll get in. Yeah, well, the thing is about volume on Bitcoin. More Bitcoin is traded daily, OTC, than on major exchanges. Food for thought. Kudos, Scooby, man. Thank you, dude. Thankful for y'all. All right. Joe Bruin coffee for the Irwin. What? Kang Logan, man? Oh, almost this coffee. I do have beer, and I do have water. All right. I don't know if I should get a beer. Okay. Yeah, Curtis Scooby, you know we have it on the Quint screen now. Did I really just it just felt like what didn't I was like lined up for it. We had less than a minute and then something happened and then I forgot. It got derailed. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. $60-minute. Why not? I'm moving to the upside right now, but yeah, a volume as you can't even see it, man. You can't even freaking see it. So look, man, with this scrubbiness, we don't break these soon, man. Yeah, big dump. Could be seeing, right? Look, you gotta break these at some point. You can't just float along on low volume like this just little bitty candles, and not break previous highs, and expect to hit a retrace. We could very well dump if we're not careful here. Okay, just floating on up. All right. Too poor to tip 50. Oh my god!
Is that a joint?
Too poor to tip 50.
Montana, I don't think that's true, man. I think you just like Ethereum, dude. Okay.
I am thankful for my family and a few close fiends. I'm also thankful for this community of really cool people that I hope to meet one day so we can party the night away, waking up to the sun shining on our faces with mimosas.
10,000 subs, Scour, man. Dude, thanks for the 512, but Montana, man. And I'm going to readdress it for you, Scour. Dude, Montana, I think you just really like that Ethereum emoji bomb, man. Why did you not put a kappa on there, dude? And where are the pogs? We haven't talked about pogs in ages, Montana. I'm just saying, man. All right. How are the pogs doing for you, dude? Thank you, dude. Seriously. That's the single largest contribution of the evening, man. Thank you, dude. And look at Divet Moonboy. Looks like Vet Moonboy is about to die. Is Vet Moonboy coming in? Just kill still. But yeah, Scour, man, that was wonderful, dude. You're thankful for your family and a few close fiends. Also thankful for this community. Really cool people.
I feel so good!
Oh my god. Montana Daddy!
I got you, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. That is coming in at the last second, dude. Like, because he was like, anyone subbed or did anything, that was going to be for naught. Well, I guess you would have just killed the previous boss too with that tip. So, thanks, Montana's daddy, for the $50 contribution, man. The Jesus, man. Thanks so much, dude. Oh my god. Montana's daddy, I think you're going to make me get a beer, okay? I have had a full day of hydration, just drinking water all day, and it might be time. It might be time on this Saturday evening to get lit, man. All right. Washington State's crushing right now? What the heck? I'm sure they are. It's meant to be, Princess Raleigh. Montana's daddy, what do you think? Princess Raleigh says it's meant to be. Check out the Loving Bean Irwin coffee. Yeah, oh yeah, check it out. Dude, I check it out every day. I have an entire area devoted to with mason jars of different coffee blends of Irwin coffee. I'd want now a logo of Irwin coffee like this big so I can hang it on the wall above it, and then maybe get my own logo and have it next to it, and it's just a cool little spot, a little bit of art, right? You sent it to my Twitter account, but shouldn't it show up, Variable Guy, like, literally? Dude, Montana's daddy, dude. God. It should show up in my app, though, dude. I don't understand. Brian G. You want to see some BTC KRW? I think we looked at that kind of recently. Good God, man. Oops, go to the... I haven't looked at it in a while, right? Not too long. Oh my God!
Mitch, grab a beer. Riley, go to Mitch's house. Montana, go to bed.
Hey, Montana's daddy, dude, thanks so much for the $50 freaking dollars, man. The back-to-back. Dude, Montana. Whew. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you, dude. How much will it take? How much will it take to make him rise up?
Is that a joint?
Where is my boo Julia?
Yeah, Julia, where are you? Okay. Montana, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. Yes, man. Thanks so much. Alright, so based on Montana's daddy, I'm gonna get a beer real quick. Hang tight. I'm not even hitting the BRB. It's literally right here. So hold on a sec. Cheers. Oh, this one's for this community. Y'all are all amazing. And thank you so much again, Montana's daddy, and also Montana. Y'all are freaking amazing. Love y'all. You need to clear your catch. Mine, the dang chat is lagging. Is it Julia? Is it me? Wake up to the sun shining. We will not have slept yet. Still bullish party formation. Bearish divergence on the alcohol oscillators. The DSI, the BSI, the beer strength index sediment. And if you didn't know, Montana's daddy, we're meeting tomorrow. It's like for real. We're literally doing that. So for real. Turn it up, Julia. Did I turn it up? Was it loud? You know you love Alabama football TA and streaming. At this rally, that's pretty hot. Okay, really hot. Oh, can I check my Twitter and confirm the 45 XRP? Yeah, I just don't understand. I didn't know that's how it worked, dude. I thought it, because my XRP bot is linked or synced to my... Okay, I got a lot of notifications here. Here's another... Yeah, Bearable Guy. I see it. It says +5 XRP bot. I'm seeing all these +5s, and I'm hitting like on all of them. Sorry if I'm spamming you with likes or hearts. But I just don't understand. Where does it go, right? Where is it going? Because this is synced up to my Twitter. So let me see real quick, all right? It might be in the account. Okay, yeah, okay. So the thing is, when you do send it via Twitter, I don't get a notification on my bot or on my app. So I'm unable to know. So I'll play the Jesus Challenge real quick for you. Bearable Guy, dude, thanks so much for the, how much is it? The $20 worth of Ripple, dude? Are you serious, man? Unbelievable, dude. Seriously, thank you. Thank you, man. God. Yeah, man. Dude, that's just all world, man. It's so cool, dude. The XRP tip bot is the coolest thing, man. It's like the coolest thing besides, like, okay, you got Coinbase, but the fact that this exists is just beyond awesome, right? You left Moonboy a comment on the 13th or 14th of his Death Cross video.
I felt like so many wanted to hang themselves here yesterday. Such a sad stream. Can we pump this one? Julia, I so miss you.
Is that a joint?
Wait, what? It was sad here? Dude, we had a lit stream yesterday, Mr. Montana, man. Thanks for the 420 contribution. Man, yesterday was awesome. Chat, what do y'all think? Do y'all think last night or the stream was sick? I thought it was sweet. Thank you, Montana man. What do you mean? Can you elaborate a little more? All right, Skyward man. Hey, thanks again, dude. I love the sport, man. Being part of this fam, because you are part of this fam, dude. 1111 angel number. We might have to create an emoji ball for 1111 now. Starseed. This is true, and it might be something angelic. Cheers to Ripple Nipple, Mr. Nakamoto, man. Congratulations. Hey, Billy, man. What's up, dude? Man, y'all struggled a little bit with Kansas for a minute, but we struggled. What am I again?
There's one is bad.
Eggplant, tipped $100. Great news. Don't forget to take me to the meetup tomorrow.
Well, fortunately, Mr. Eggplant, yeah, I have to. That's just kind of... I take my eggplant with me everywhere. But, dude, Eggplant, thanks so much for the $100 contribution. How did that not kill the boss? I guess, okay, we have it on overkill, so however much... Yeah, that's why, because it had, like, no... The last boss had, like, no HP left, and you killed the boss. And so the game overkill for the high boss is like any kind of remaining of the tip damage you caused gets added to your life. So that's why you didn't just kill Montana's daddy. But now Montana has a chance to slay his daddy. You know, the hype boss. Oh yeah, Montana. Oh yeah, dude, that during the day stream. Yeah, man, that was rough. I was trying so hard to, like, you know, get through that. You're right, Montana, dude. That was rough, man. That was rough. But I think we got it all cleared up, actually. I know in the night stream, Montana, the parties involved, it all got resolved, dude, between the streams. And I thought that was so BA. I thought that was so sweet, man. So just so you know, Montana, we got it taken care of and resolved, man. I don't think it should happen again. It's awesome. King Logan says last night was more real than IRL. Pretty much. Brian Griffin says he came into chat bummed out, but Mitch and the rest of the community made his night. It was an awesome stream. You got 0 sleep though. I didn't get... Dude, again, that was the longest stream ever. Okay, for me. Like, in terms of late night, I'd never gone until... What time did we stop the stream? What time Eastern was it? Do y'all remember? Because I don't. Montana Zaddy doing things. Cheers, Bearable Guy. No, thank you, man. Don't thank me, dude. Thank you, man. That's so awesome, dude. That you can actually just do it on Twitter, man. Oh, my God, man. Peace among wrenches. Yeah, we got it clarified. It's all fixed up. Okay, sweet. 6 a.m. Eastern. Oh my God, man. Yeah, we've never been that late before, ever on stream. So, Eggplant, I will bring you to the, is it a date? Is it a date or is it just a lunch thing? We're just hanging out, just meeting, right? Would you call it a date, chat, or is it just a meetup? Okay. I'm just uncertain. I don't know. So, not making adjustments here. If we didn't include this.
Crypto Kai. If you want to hear this, come and get it. Kyler Murray Heisman 2018. Here is the ones 11111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111111
Absolutely. And come on, dude. We know that's not happening, dude. We know Tua is clearly the best QB. You know what? I know Kyler Murray might have had a good day against Kansas. Well, you know what Alabama did? I know we played Citadel. But today, 31 touchdowns on the year. That set a school record, a single season school record for most touchdowns. Okay. And you know what's also spectacular about it? The other stat? He's only played 64% of all snaps of the games. 64%. Imagine if he did 70 or 80% of those snaps. And I guarantee you, Kyler Murray has played a lot more than 64 of the overall snaps of the Oklahoma football games. See what I'm saying? So he won, man. It's over, dude. It's like done. His QBR is too good. His stats are incredible. He's broken school records with only playing 64% of the snaps. You have to realize how prodigal that is, how incredible that is. All right. Good God, man. 6 a.m. That's insane, dude. Every time you meet up with a girl, it's a potential date. You missed a lot, Miss Cantembo.
Is that a joint?
You're still fucking hating on my how am I not top 2 on your Yale Rye leaderboard. If I was Tiger Woods, I'd break some shit.
Hey, I'm not hating on anything, dude. I'm not hating on anything, dude. I'm very grateful for you, dude. You know I am. And, yeah, you are. You truly are, dude. You 100% are. And, I'm not doing this. This is like I'm just hanging out, and this is happening to me, okay? So, dude, I'm very grateful for you, man. Okay. Just to clear it up, make sure. Same page. Thank you, dude, for the Is That a Joint contribution? The marijuana's in the jar and the pogs, man. Yeah. Pretty much, man. Pretty freaking much, dude.
31 is also the amount of times Nick Saban called his team a bunch of bitches at halftime.
Yeah, dude. 10 to 10 at halftime against Citadel. 10 to 10. You know, that's a lot. That's the first time. All right, we have not trailed or tied or have been tied in a football game since October of 2015 against Tennessee. It's been 3 years since we were tied. Even national championship games, playoff games, whatever it is. It's a pretty crazy stat. And it's Citadel that broke the streak, the 3-year streak. Crazy. Dude, Bama Troll, thanks for the $25 freaking dollars, man. Much love, dude. Did you this man? And thank you, Montana. Seriously, dude. Please know that I am grateful. All right. Joking aside. And look at that. 12 HP. I know someone's done the math before and we've been to 1 HP, but dude, that's like critical levels. You can't even see the bar anymore. It's gone. It's all grayed out. What's up, Stuart H, man? Urban Meyer looks out again. I know, dude. And you were saying, you were like, you were so happy, and I'm like, dude, it's not over, right? There were 2 minutes left in the games, like, and then they went down and scored, and then overtime. And then you know what happens when Urban gets to overtime. Is XRP showing it's no longer pegged to the Bitcoin moves? Johnson videos. XRP is showing that it's still certainly
Is that a joint?
connected to Bitcoin volatility.
Fuck it, I love football and the community.
F it, we love you too, Mr. Schaffer, and we love football too. Well, some of us do, some don't care, but it's okay. Thanks for the 420 contribution, and look what, man, look what, you've become the new boss, Mr. Schaffer, man. Don't make me pull out the Sword of 1,000 S coins. Thanks, dude. Where is Prodigal Taurus, man? We freaking miss him, dude. Because I know he had a good night beating Iowa State. Maybe he was at the game, I don't know. What's up, SoPro? What's up, Renee? You're glad you didn't get into XLM? Oh, well, XLM's kind of pumping, right? Kind of moving the upside. Not near as well as XRP, I don't think. Yeah, XRP is definitely making a much larger retrace than Stellar Lumens right now. Tiger Woods breaking up Mad S. Like his marriage wrecked. Well, he definitely did that. He definitely was reckless with his wife. Treated her like dirt, right? You would say it's a date for sure, Princess Riley. Stupid Art just left the party. I hope you had a good one. What's wrong with XLM? Why is everyone talking about what's wrong? I'm looking at it right now. It's literally making like the highest high of the day, y'all. What are y'all talking about? In the 50 MA right now, sitting at 25.474 cents. And in woman, do not. Stuart, we're doing well, man. Hope you've been having a good Saturday. Layup kill on Montana's daddy imminent. Yep, it was Mr. Schaffer that did it. Bear guy, you're talking about an XRP go and handle. So the thing about Cub and handles, man, Cub and handles, you want to have Cub and handles. You want to, when we top out, we want to make sure we're getting around close to the previous high, which you're talking about, that high from October 2nd or 1st, right? Not only that, you want to have the signature rounding action, okay? Rounding, we did not get any rounding action at all, okay? So I don't think we have a covenant handle at all, because what Ripple's done, and then what you would do after that, of course, is just right before breaking to the upside. And what we got on Ripple is I'm gonna try to draw this sharp breakdown. That's it. That's literally Ripple, okay? Like legit, man. That's almost identical to Ripple price action. You topped out here. Looks like this, man. Topped out here, broke down, all kinds of crap, man. All steep drops, okay? So I just don't think we have a covenant handle that because I can't see it, and I know other people around the world can't see it either on the charts. But the rounding action for covenant handles and rounding bottoms is extremely important. You don't have them unless you get that signature rounding action, okay? And that is a steep change and shift in momentum, right? First time being a boss, Mr. Schaffer, man. Congratulations, man. It's the XRP versus XLM war. Johnson videos instead of Bitcoin scrubs. Bitcoin Cash scrubs. Exactly. Mr. Schaffer, hope that helped, man. I guess I just did it, right? Jeff, it's true, man. It's true. But hey, it's a bull run, so it's okay for now. As soon as if we go bearish ever on XRP, I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Okay, I'm gonna get so many downvotes when I say, hey, we broke the uptrend. Okay. How about, oh, you want to see the measure move? How do you do the measure move of a cup with handle? As Volkowski would say, the cup with handle. Okay, you see, this is the neckline of the cup with handle, right? This is how you measure it, Mr. Schaffer, man. You know what? We're gonna do it like this.
I feel so good!
Any ladies in here tonight? Wallet is weak but could scrape together for a dinner at Morton's. Holla, swipe right.
Swipe right. Hey, Montana, why have you not said pogs yet, dude? I thought that was our thing, man. Our thing. Any pogs in the house tonight? Type 1 if you're a pog. Type 2 if you're not. Thanks. Thanks again, Montana, man. That sexual 690. Sorry, I'm trying to get this. I hate that. I wish. Trying to make it clear. So from the lowest low of the cup to the neckline, if you want to call it that, whatever that is, 3.8. Copy. Wait, clone. What is clone? Hold on. Control drag. Ooh. Control drag. What is control drag? Oh. I just learned something new. Control drag. Holy crap. This is awesome, y'all. So Probes was talking about, remember, you can do Alt-I, and that inverts the entire chart. And then you can do Control, and then just when you're holding Control, drag your measured, your price range tool. And this is it, man. That's your measured move, Mr. Shaffer, man. That's how you do your measured move up a couple with handle. All right. Boom. Hope that helps. But remember, these patterns, they can develop on the daily. It takes 2 months for these things to develop, okay? So they're not that common. And make sure you understand that make sure the rounding action's real. Make sure when you retrace to the upside, you hit that same neckline or close to it. Sometimes it's better if it makes a higher high than your previous high, and it's fine when it's the same, but when it makes a lower high, sorry, it's not going to be strong. It will be a very weak pattern, okay? And it has a very high likelihood of failing. And just what will happen is, instead of, if you make a lower high, you can just keep on doing this. Okay, so we see that all the time. And then it becomes a frying pan, and it's not a cup with handle. Right. Sorry.
Oh, it feels so good!
Hog life.
Hog life, but would love to hear that Aussie voice again via Julia. Oh wait, I can't cause I was banned from Discord.
Montana man. Yeah, so you'll talk to Bradford. I don't know if he's here tonight. Bradford, are you here? He might be out. I think he's out. That's people's. We need to talk to him because we just need to figure out what was going on, what happened. All right, so when people get banned, if they get banned from the mods on Discord, it is I can't override that unless I'm to disrespect their authority, which I've given them. So we need to I need to talk with them and figure out what happened so we can resolve it. Okay, then. So Pog life. Pog freaking life. Montana, man. Love you, man. We'll get to the bottom of it. We'll see if we can get it resolved. Okay, dude? Oh, sorry, man. Thanks, brother, man. Julia. That's sweet. Aussie accent. Oh, it's so sweet, man. Control Alt Moon. Let's do it, Anthony Persona, man.
Perfect example of a cup and handle is EOS/BTC from July 2017 to April 2018, then the perfect measured move.
Hey, Jordan G, man. Dude, thanks so much, man. Really appreciate the 777, the burst coin. I say 2017, July 2017. Crap, let's get to it. Let me check. I haven't looked at this chart in forever. Hold on a sec. Swear to God, man. It's just like nothing I can do about this stuff, dude. It just bugs out like that, and I can't. See, it's just like broken, dude. I don't know, man. It's like I don't even. Guess I don't care. Right. Okay, hold on a sec. So we're looking for this, dude. July 2017. This is more data. Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Thanks, dude. This is, oh yeah, this is fantastic, right? So look, man, you got your rounding, swing low, the swing high. How far did we retrace? 61.8% retrace. Hey, the common retrace zone, ladies and gentlemen. Common retrace zone. Go to the daily. See how it looks on the day. Probably looks amazing. You also have bullish divergence.
Okay, fuck her. Discord, hi Sigro. How's your day been?
Oh, it feels so good!
Sorry, girl. Sorry, girl. How's it been? Montana, man. Thanks so much, dude, for the ongoing 69s in the jar. Much love, dude. Seriously. Oh, in the 690s, man. Once Chalen gets his workload, I don't know if it's ever gonna get better for him in terms of his workload, but the Verge coin, we're gonna make that emoji ball for sure. Does the handle come into play? What do you mean, Mr. Shaverman? Oh yeah, measure move? Yeah, somehow, some way we hit it too. Okay, Miss Shaver, look. I don't think we hit it. No, we didn't hit the measure move. Oddly enough, and sometimes you don't, man. Here's your measure move up here. Very close, right? Very, very close. How did our fib extensions go though? Swing high to swing low. Wow, man. See, look at that. How crazy. Your swing high to swing low fib extensions, your 2618 is also up here. Very hard. Very hard to and we crapped out, man. We just couldn't do it. I mean, surely that was May of 2018. Yep, so did not hit the measure move, it seems. Just from look, that's it, man. That's how you do it. What happened to the taco? What happened? What happened to the cake fart? What happened? What happened, chat? Win Lambo, win Moon, win Honda Civic, win homeless. Satoshi Nakamoto tweeted yesterday, but was it fake or was it real, Rent-A-Cow? Let us know. What was it? Thanks for the 134 people tuned in right now. I could create a variation, and it could be an Australian accent. Maybe we could do that for the 690s.
Give your middle finger salute to Mr. Will not be so nice if you play like that. Crush people. Consuing thanks Rocky Mountain Brand C8 888 octillion 888 septillion 888 sextillion 888 quintillion 888 quadrillion 888 trillion 888 billion 888 million 888,888.
Yeah, John Larman. Yeah, it's unfortunate, but you know what can you do, man? It's tune-up game for rivalry week, right? And then you got the SEC championship. You're not gonna. Things happen, man. And you're playing a triple option offense. And I think the Bama just wanted to get through this game without injury, right? Just trying to get through it, man. Didn't want to lose anyone. And, you know, like we lost Damian Harris, right? He had a really nice run and then landed on his head wrong, like hit the ground, and he got concussed. He does have a mild concussion. So, you know, I don't know, in Clemson, They were struggling too at the beginning of the game too. If you didn't notice, if you didn't watch that game, they did struggle for a little bit against Duke. Bradford says, Montana, PM him in Discord tomorrow. Boom. So we're going to get this thing resolved, all right? Wyoming won and covered again today, John Lauro. Have I considered attaching a catheter and streaming 24/7? Yeah, Justin, sure, man. All the way. All the freaking way. Pizza Paltrow would have been nice. Yeah, Julia. Cal L. Cage is the ball. So you are making some bullish divergence.
Oh, it feels so good!
Cigarette, I like a Cali accent since you may be close to PHX. I feel like Julia used me for my Israel love. Maybe you can love me for my weed game?
The weed game. Is weed legal in Montana? I don't think it is it? Yeah, can you love him for his weed game? Love me! Love me like it feels so good. Okay, like in Grandma's Boy when he's literally doing that. Brother, man, thanks for the 690. Again, man. Much love. You don't pursue people this hard. I seem special to you. You can't help it. Friends of Raleigh, this is true. Whew. Heart racing a little bit, okay? This is weird. This is really weird. Neil Magny is getting wrecked, crying. So, Miss Shepard, man, I see what we broke out, right? When you break these trends, man, these things could extend on for a long time, all right? We did swing low to swing high. We fell below the 618. We're in between the 618 and the 786 right here, and there's not really any support at all. Okay, so we could keep selling off, but you are showing a little bit of bullish divergence, just a little bit. Okay. So many stupid wicks, man. It's ridiculous. You're just in a downtrend right now, Miss Shaver, man. There's no reason to believe we could break to the upside. You bought 1330, we're at 1331. Hey, you're in the green, man. One sat, dude. Congratulations, one sat. XRP is having a nice day, Atomic Man. Seriously. Currently, 52.5 cents on Ripple. Let's go back to that. Miss Shaverman, 1234, 1234. Okay, the Spaceballs password is the 786. Yes. Terrible 786. Just like the terrible password. And this is all we're saying, that we could break to the upside. Okay. And if we break to the upside, we might probably gonna make a lower high than our previous high and break down again. Because, dude, it's APPC. It's an S coin, right?
Oh, it feels so good!
Don't hate me for locking today tonight.
Dude, no one's hating on you, Montana Man. We ain't hating on you, dude. But we will post the It Feels So Good because it is a 69. It's a very sexual contribution. So let me know if it's bothering you. Let me know and we'll stop. But we just always do that kind of for that contribution, man. Much love, dude. Thank you again, dude, for the 690. Everyone's looking for, we're looking for love in all the right places. This community's awesome. All right. The chop is Shaverman. No, this inverse chop is down sloping price action. Sucks. XRP only has to get to 250 to top Bitcoin at this point, Vlad. Crazy, man. All right, we can go back to it real quick and see it. Wow, man, it's on a tear right now. It's doing very well. Doing very nice run. Look at this. Broke the 618. Once we broke that 618, this down sloping resistance, where are we going? Look at, I told y'all we had plenty of room to run on our RSI. We're at 62. Currently, we're at 65.9, so pretty much 66 on the RSI. We're running hard. XLM is not running hard. It is not correlating with this kind of price action that we're seeing on XRP. Fantastic, man. Fantastic. Remember, uptrend. Your trend is your friend, and your trend is bullish right now. Okay? Very sweet. Excellent local dinosaur, man. Those are always good. Okay. Oyster Toaster's in the bear trend, man. Oyster Toaster, yeah, sucks. I think I see what you're doing with that trend line, though. Can I fib? Yeah, we fibbed, didn't we? We fibbed. We were at the 618. We were between the 618 and the 786, so we were in no man's land. We were not at any support, okay? Beer clock? That's it, dude.
Is that a joint?
BTW prior to year end, I'm going to smash that Seth big ball tip.
Oh. Wow. I don't think he's in here anymore, but he might be lurking around, but I hope he didn't hear that. Legit, I hope he didn't hear that. Montana man. And I'll read it again. By the way, prior to year end, I'm going to smash that Seth big ball tip. Dang, I've never in my life, we've never seen this. Montana, you are the only person to ever challenge Seth. And that's just, it's just fascinating to see this, okay, man? It's fascinating, Montana, man. So thank you, dude, for the 420, and thanks so much for them fighting words, okay? Those are, in a way, fighting words, right? Thanks, brother, man. For the marijuanas, it fell out of the jar, unfortunately. That's okay, man. Who on earth would be offended by dinner for two, Julia? I don't know. Are people triggered by dinner for two? You must specify the genders, Julia. Okay. Julia. You got a big bag of XRP, Miss Shaverman? We'll be careful at this point. Hopefully you didn't just buy it, because we could run just maybe a little bit more, but 786 is 53.69 cents. What just happened? Why did I just get a... Hey, XRP Luna, man. Thanks for the 5 XRP. Much appreciated, man. Cheers, Bill, man. Thank you, dude. XRP, baby. GXRP. Thanks to the 145 people here. Probably in here because you're like, what's going on with Repel? Repel. False breakout of the 25% trend line of the Equidistant channel. Bitcoin. Thanks, Bitcoin. So people ask, can we be certain that there is a decoupling on price action? I would say price action maybe, but not volatility. Bitcoin dumping, you can clearly see the correlation in price action. They looked almost identical. But as you can see, with Bitcoin doing nothing, Ripple is free to run. When Bitcoin's not volatile, Ripple's able to make moves up. So just to be aware of Bitcoin volatility, and where it is in its price contraction or pattern development, always. Sure thing, Atomic Stack, man. What's up, King Hong Lee, man? How were your dabs last night, man? Are you okay? Did you survive them well? What's my favorite alt coin under the top 300? Not in the top 300? I don't know. If it's not in the top 300, I literally don't even know. I don't look at... I don't know. Titty coin, maybe? Probes, is that might even be in the top 300. I don't know. They're supposed to, you know, Titty coin's actually a decentralized thing for rich people on islands that look like boobs. You can't make this up. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god. All right. Shout out XRP Tipbot. Seriously, Bradley, man. Love me this XRP Tipbot, dude. It's so cool, man. It's so freaking cool.
Hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies. Hey, Julia Side Girl. Thanks for the 333 contribution. Much love. Much love. Seriously. Thank you. Julia, those are fighting words, right? The ultimate declaration of war has been made. Seriously, Jeff, man, I can't believe it, dude. And I think we can consider ourselves lucky that Seth didn't hear that. Okay. What's up, Pixel Box? XRP about to retrace. Well, there's no indication of maybe on BTC pair. The BTC pair we think might, but on the US dollar, beautiful bullish convergence. Well, actually, you're still making lower highs. You're actually making the same high with higher levels of positive momentum. Nothing wrong with that. And you're very hot on the RSI, making highs, higher levels of relative strength, and you're in bullish territory now, sitting at 65. Hot. Very hot. Not overbought. How do you tip from YouTube? No super chat. Look in the links, or in the description below. There are links. You can tip me in cryptocurrency. Any of the cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, which is awesome, or you can tip me above the XRP tip bot, or you can tip me on Stream Elements for just fiat. If XRP goes to 70 cents, you're going to talk like Bernie Sanders for the rest of the day. King Hong Lee, man. Seriously, dude, we did that. 79 cents, dude. We hit 79 cents on September 21st. So go ahead, Kings. Teat coin? Exactly. Blue light spectrum damages retinas. Chuck on method. 7 glasses or change it up. Hey, Walk Australian, I've actually, you know, Windows has its night mode, right, where it does that. If I turned on Flux, though, which is a lot more dramatic, a lot better, it would affect the stream. So, I don't know, wearing those glasses might look, you know, kind of nerdy, right? Titty coin. Oh my god. You did, dude. It is our favorite, man. It is our bond, okay? You get the left, I get the right. There. Hey, look. Would titty coin have a fork? Left titty coin, right titty coin? Well, I'm sorry. It's not wholesome. It's gross to talk about. We'll just change the subject with that. A hard fork. Is Bitcoin next Lucid development team? It could be. It could be. Julia says Seth will friggin' wreck Montana. She said she tried to warn Montana once mine. Turn it up. Turn it up, Julia. But if you can't hear me then. I'll work with a team, Johnson videos, but yeah, we'll post those setups. But remember, the reason why you joined the Patreon is to support this stream because you want me to keep coming back every day doing coin analysis, stocks, forex analysis for free every day, multiple times a day. And the amenities involved are the trade setups, as well as a lot of educational videos and exclusivity
Jillian, my
Discord.
tip prior to year end will come out of nowhere and will smash his shit. Now I get it, there are many like me who have failed, but while fucking a baller and tips HR, you know.
Oh, it feels so good!
Hey Montana, thanks for the 690 pennies sexual. Why did do you notice the TTS sometimes like talks really fast? Like it's like taking some cocaine or something, man? Hold on. I'm gonna read this slower because maybe my audio's quiet, but Montana said, Julia, comma, my tip prior to the year end will come out of nowhere and will smash his S. Now I get it, there are many like me who have failed, but well, I'm a baller in tips. Her no? Well, we know you are, you're number 2 currently. So, yes, absolutely. But, hey man, if that's the case, that would be, I wouldn't know what to say, dude, but just glad Seth isn't in here right now to hear that, because I think Seth might retaliate, and we might be getting a little bit of a scuffle going on. All right. Tipbot with the TTS, maybe she'll do a double date. Mr. Shaverman? Yeah, you're right. Walk Australia in my eyes, I guess, yeah. Soft forks never get any titty coin action. I guess so, man. You think there's a chance the XRP will break the fibs and run up to the 75 cent again? Look, man, we're in an uptrend, Bradley, right? In an uptrend. So, we might not hit that yet, but look what we could do. We could run up and hit the 50% trend on the heart line of the equidistant channel, the trend board. We've respected it so well as a support and a resistance, right? And back here as a resistance, okay? So we know that is a wonderful area of support resistance, okay? So if we run up here and touch that, it's gonna be very difficult to break that to the upside because we're already gonna be so extended up there, all right? It might be showing divergence by then. I live in the left, you live on the right. Cup size, QQQ houses. What about CCCP houses? Because that's how it works. Okay, man. Mr. Greenman, you think XRP is going to keep on going up, dude? That would be divine, wouldn't it? You haven't been here in a long time, Opal. The market has been crazy. Yes, it has. It has. And XRP is held strong. Okay, so that's it, man. What's up, Pablo, dude? Hey, XRP Luna, dude. Thanks for the 10 XRP, man. Hey, Chris Winsett, man. Thanks for the 6.9 XRP.
Is that a joke?
Wait.
Oh, it feels so good!
There we go. Sorry, I wasn't. It's out of joint. So, dude, thank y'all. Seriously, getting the XRP tips is so cool, man. It's so freaking cool, man.
Oh, it feels so good!
Princess R, how can I holla?
Princess R. How can Montana holla? Holla, holla, holla. Thanks so much, Montana, man, for the 690, dude. Much love. Johnson Videos has a very, very good question. Has anyone ever had ostrich meat or egg? He has a craving and can't keep. Ostrich eggs are literally this big. Okay, they're like this big. Eating a whole ostrich egg, good luck. Good luck with that. I saw LA Beast eat an ostrich egg as a challenge, and he could barely finish. So we need to have a talk with Kang Logan. He's the expert on XRP. Believe so, man. What's up, Bitcoin Andy, man? True American, Bitcoin Andy, the Jesus son. Welcome to XRP to the for Kang's moon. Yep, we're breaking that 618 retrace, swing high to swing low, right? So I think the next target is 53.69 cents. Okay, very close to it. I don't know why we would not hit it. We broke resistance. That's what we did. And when you break resistance, you run through the next resistance for the most part. Pretty simple, right? Billy doubled his XRP holdings. YTA about XRP in the last 2 weeks and natural gas just perfect. Yeah, I said we might break down here based on Bitcoin price action last night, so I feel bad about that. But dude, like, what do you want, man? Like, hello, 26 cents. I literally, the silver platter was given. It was a given silver platter, 26 cent entry. Okay. That'd be nuts, Pixel Fox. Uh-oh, XRP 589. King Logan, is that your analysis, man? You hear they only lay a few eggs? They only lay eggs a few months out of the year, Johnson? Is this true? What's up, Alice Cobb, man? How about that XRP, man? Well, we're looking at it. We broke the 6.8. We should be heading up to 53.69 cents. How apropos when we've been having the $6.90 contributions all night. Well, towards the latter end of that, you can see the layering in the jar. At the top, you see all the 69s, the Verge coins. Oh yeah, man, super sexual. Hey, Montana, you know, the 69 is a larger Verge coin. I seriously want that in the pipeline. Seriously. Alex Cobb, superstar. That's it, dude. That's it, man. You just noticed XRP.
Oh, it feels so good!
Princess Riley the First, just like beautiful ladies, can I holla?
Holla, holla, holla. Hey, Montana, thanks for the $6.90. The Jesus man. Thanks so much, dude. Prince Riley, do you hear that? Do you hear the It Feels So Good? And Grandma's Boy? It is calling. What's up about Joey Rock Cryptos? He says he just noticed that XRP price is about 1 cent compared to Kraken's price of for XRP. Is that calculated with Tether? I'm not sure. Is it to the Tether pair? Joey Rock Cryptos? I'm not sure. That's right, real American Bitcoin ended, man. Let's go raid Ice Poseidon, okay, dude? Here's Pablo, and yeah, we actually talked about that before, right? Bitcoin 2 months ago was 6,500. XRP was at 25 cents. Last week, Bitcoin 6,500. XRP 50 cents. Today, Bitcoin 5,500. XRP 52 cents. Pretty obvious, right? Oh yeah, but remember, Pablo, the Bitcoin volatility, nothing's immune to it, right? So if Bitcoin tanks, XRP is going to be affected, but it might recover stronger because the uptrend that we're in right now, right? You can clearly see it, the uptrend. Okay, Logan. Can you mine Ripple? I don't believe so, no. Yeah, Mr. Cobb is in the house, Mr. Bradley, man. That's it, dude. That's it. I'm almost out of my beer, chat. I'm almost out of beer. And it's, hey, how is this possible? Y'all realize I've been live for 2 hours and 17 minutes now? How does time fly so freaking fast, man? I don't understand, man. I don't get it. MT, alright. MT. Montana, man, should we keep this show rolling, dude? Should we keep it going? Pogs. Pogs, dude. XRP Moon Boys, don't get too excited. Bitcoin Cash is still a threat. Oh! Mr. Nakamoto, shots fired. Them fighting words, dude. Okay, it's the USD. Switch it to fiat. So I look like the host from Expedition Unknown. Oh my god. Hey, someone told me I look like what's that other guy from last night? I can't remember. Oh.
At Princess Riley, you call the amount I have to smash Seth's 5 gate prior to year end.
Princess Riley, no pressure, right? Oh my god, dude, Montana. Thanks, dude. Thanks, man, for the 1337 to do this, man. All right, Princess Riley, you heard it. What say you? Hold on. What is it? Expedition. What? Hunt for extraterrestrials. Oh yeah. Trying to look for a better photo of this guy. That's a weird photo. Promo photos suck. They're all small resolutions, man. Oh no!
Bitch ain't doing things.
Grab another brewski.
Dude, Bradley, man, dude, thanks for $25 contribution to this, man. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get it. Heck yeah, dude. Thanks, brother, man. Okay, so I'm being told last night I looked like an EDM DJ, and now I look like a extraterrestrial hunter TV show host. Okay, this guy right here. All right, I don't know. Do y'all see it? I don't know, man. All right. Hold on, I'm gonna get this beer real quick though. Bradley, thanks again, man. Did you this, man? Yeah, thanks, Montana, man. Pogs. What? Was my mic always on? Ladies, my eyes are up here. When you're looking at the beard. Okay, or something. That's what Mr. Canatoma said. I'm just quoting him. Alright. 521. Where Pablo's at, over in Straya. Good time for a beer. Heck yeah, man. Continuing to roll. We're looking at the 60-minute chart now. You can see we're overbought now on the 60-minute. We're sitting at 80. 80 on the RSI. It's pretty overbought. All right. Sweet Eskimo. This show, man, exactly, dude. Sweet Eskimo. All right, number 53.69.
I knew a scoo's at 10k of Princess.
Oh, sorry, the music. She said 10k. Dude. I guess that would be appropriate, right? He did. It would be like a poetic justice, right, Montana man? Just because, like, remember it was like the y'all had like the smallers.
Edna is a small blue smurf.
What was that? Josh Johnson, man. Edna? Is that a ticker? Or am I, No, it's not. It's not a ticker. I'm gonna Google Edna. Okay, this is Edna, evidently. Okay, this is what I found. Whatever that was. Joshua was saying Edna. This is Edna. I just don't know. I don't know. But thank you for the 1337, the elite contribution to Jisman. Thank you, dude. Okay, okay. What the heck? Just sometimes I can get confused. All right, with that. Sorry. Loving the music, Opal, man. I'm glad to hear that you're enjoying the music, man. Enjoying the vibes, enjoying the sights and the sounds of the technical analysis and the XRP, being Kangs, breaking it down, slipping resistance, breaking the 618, the common retrace zone, where we could very well at one point hit 786, 53.69 cents.
Oh, it feels so good!
Hi, Opal, says Montana. Sorry about it. I didn't mean to, my bad. It was a little delayed, Montana, but Montana did say hi, Opal, so. Shout out. We should all drink at Saturday night Princess Rally. Well, you read my mind. All right. Greenbow, Alabama. Downtown studios, man. Or downtown Greenbow. It's popping tonight. We got all the crazy stuff going on. Whoa, all kinds of stuff going on out here, man. Billy, man. We're Kangs, man. We're Kangs. Heck yeah, at Opal. Opal is drinking. Boom. Mr. Shaver's on his third bourbon. Boom. And Princess Riley's on some Bud Light. What did Craig Wright say, Mr. Nakamoto? Let me know. What do you mean bought to form a new channel? About to? What are you talking about, Mr. Kang? Sipping on that mixed drink. Local Dinosaur X. I didn't know dinosaurs drank alcohol, but hey.
Is that a joint?
Wait at Princess Riley Bud Light, let's get you into some Tito's.
That's top shelf, isn't it? Montana, man, that's top shelf stuff right there. I think that's a... Sorry, I don't want to say anything stupid. Okay. Vodka. Yeah, that's some good vodka. Absolutely. Brinzarella, do you like vodka? What do you like, Brinzarella? Where is Parle? I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, Mr. Nakamoto, Sushi Nakamoto said Craig's tweet was next target XRP, another illegal unregistered security platform to take down. Wow. Wow, dude. And he's trying to push his stuff, right, man? That's wow. A global banking solution that's actually doing things. What's up, Jules Santana, man? Is in here drinking Hennessy, dude. Here, this sip's for you, Jules, man. And beer, always. What do you mean, Mr. Shafferman? So you got beer and bourbon, dude? Holy crap. I don't know. King Logan, did you talk to Paro? Tui's new here. More Australian. Toot sweet. What? Hey, dude, Crypto SB, is it your birthday, dude? Oh my god, y'all. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Crypto SB. Congratulations, man! Oh, the confetti! CPU freak out! Freeze, man, freeze! It's actually holding up pretty well. Happy birthday to Crypto SB. Happy birthday, Dan, man. Happy freaking birthday, dude. Check him out on his channel. Throw him a sub for his birthday, alright? Crypto SB on YouTube. Bam. That one's for you, dude. Do you think Threadripper could rip through this and not freeze? Or that stream, or easy stream, or whatever it's called. Okay, there you go. This one's for you. Crypto SB, man. Cheers, dude. Wow, this song's awesome, dude. Maybe one more. I don't know, dude. I guess it's not. Yeah, and here we go. XRP is selling off a little bit on the 60-minute. Pulling back. 30 minutes left. Yeah, I guess it's not. Princess Riley prefers beer and wine. Y'all heard it here. What's up, Crypto Trucker, man? Yeah, doing things by selling off. Right. Overbought. Remember 80. We were at 80 on the RSI just moments ago. Switzerland approved the first ETF of Bitcoin. Helped her out. Boom. Princess Riley says she does straight shots of vodka with lemons covered in sugar. Ooh. Anytime, of course, Crypto SB, man, of course, dude. I'm honored that you're spending just a little bit of time in here with us. Hopefully you had a wonderful birthday, okay, dude? Seriously. About to break 2K on YouTube, Crypto SB, man. Congratulations, man. Seriously. Congrats, man. Milestones. Okay, are you going to be a wizard? Or are you going to have a Viking Knight? Man. He does a top shelf, imported into Greenbow. God, y'all. Y'all are killing me, man. Alright, y'all are killing me. I'm sorry, I misspoke. I didn't know Tito's. I know Grey Goose is good. I know Belvedere or whatever, it's really good. Okay, I didn't know if Tito's was good or not, alright? An old co-worker, one of my old bosses used to love it. And I'm like, okay, I guess it was good. I don't know. Sorry. I misspoke. I'm stupid. Screwdrivers, that's what got you modded. Get it because of the wrench. Huh?
To be a ghost, but I am a man who does what he says. Our princess said 10k year, and for one last missile I shall return, so fuck you Brad Schaffer and fuck you Logan King.
What? One last missile you shall return? Montana, what happened, man? Thanks for 1337. I don't know what the last part was. But thank you, dude. Much love. And he's a man of his word. Montana. He's always followed through. So we'll see that random fateful day. One day, we'll see, before 2019 hits. So Montana, man. Dude, thank you so much for all the contributions tonight and all the contributions before, man. Freaking love you, man. I really do appreciate it, okay? Thanks, man. Too much emotional hype for XRP just because it's the only crypto in the green. Folks filling up the bandwagon like the tip jar. Pretty much King Logan. I mean, look, you know, there's nothing wrong with being happy about a crypto doing things bullishly when everything else sucks. It's nice, a nice little haven, you know. So, fun stream day on Monday. Crypto SB is gonna be fun, dude. do all I can to get there, man. Peace out, Crypto SP, man. What's up, high resonance, dude? Thank you for being here. Kettle One vodka is decent. I've not done it, man. What's up, XRP Mafia? XRP will take over #1. Oh, see, we'll see, man. All right, we'll see. I'm not saying we will or we won't. I'm just saying that sounds like it's never been done before, ever. Okay, that'd be history. That'd be crazy stuff in the crypto sphere. Okay. Sorry, Jules, man. My bad, dude. Sorry, man. King Hong Lee asks, anybody an expert on exploring the Bitcoin blocks? Anyone? Speak up, you Bitcoin block experts in chat. All right. You want me to post it? Okay. All right. Mr. Shaver told me, he demanded I posted it. Here it is. Mr. Shaver said, let me see. Let me repeat what he said, okay? Before I post it. He said, been a busy day off learning TA. Post it. Mr. Shaver, man, that's a lot of alcohol, dude. Hopefully that's over the course of literally all day, like 20 hours or something. Hopefully, right? There you go, man. Posted it for you, dude, okay? Cheers, Mr. Shaver, man. What's up, Shirley? 589 shots, Billy Langford. Pretty much, dude. Do I think XRP will retrace further where we are at on the RSI? Well, the 60-minute was rough. It looks like we're kind of reversing right now a little bit. We might back test, right? We could back test down to 51.42 cents. Maybe look, the area that was once a resistance, right? Maybe we use it as support, hold it, and then we break to the upside again after we get out of oversold territory and run up and become oversold again, or overbought, excuse me, overbought, not oversold. Going to the 4 hour though, that's 60 minute. 4 hour, pulling back pretty hard right there. Here's the thing about the 4 hour, you got plenty of room to run. You're at 63, you're in bullish territory, you're not overbought, your positive momentum's building, you have no divergence yet. Okay, so everything looks fine right now in the 4 hour. It looks like we could hit the in the next hour and 30 minutes we could, or the next 5 hours and 30 minutes we could hit 53.69 cents. Okay, possibly. All right, we're saying the 4 hour looks like we could be poised to run higher if we wanted to. All right. What's up, Loster, man? All that beer equals 1 12-ounce bottle of IPA. What happened, Mr. Nakamoto? Oh, yeah. Get wrecked, shots fired at Mr. Nakamoto, man. What about Keith Stone? Billy, man. We all know Keith Stone. You want to explore the Genesis blocks in depth? Does anyone have a link for that? We can look it up, dude. Sweet, man. Okay, so yeah, there you go, man. 4 hour looks healthy. The 60 minute looks a little overbought. Going back to 60 minute real quick. I don't know why we're stopping here, really. Looks like we might be back testing an old horizontal line. Old resistance, now support. November 9th. Okay. Always tuning in, Lister, man. Thanks, dude. Much love to you, okay? James at the water cooler. How about Tua at the water cooler? Hey, Billy, man. Tua's brother. So you think, oh man, I can't wait till Tua's gone. Sorry, dude. Talia Tagovailoa. He just won the, I believe, the semifinals last night, heading to the state championship over here in Central Alabama. Okay, and he's probably going to win the state title. Whoa, man, that pink right there. So Jay Birkin, man. Yeah, just when you think it might be over, it's like, how can he keep getting away with it? He can't keep getting away with it. Like the Breaking Bad scene, remember? It's like that, but Saban. All right. We got Tua's brother lined up. Okay. Pumpkins, Australian. Oh, the Pumpskis. Now we're just look again. A back test wouldn't be a big deal. Coming down to 51.48 cents and then bouncing after that. High. 60-minute. Oh, convergence, right? Higher levels of positive momentum. Thanks, Copper Crypto, for changing the lighting from pink. Dude, pink is ultra bright, dude. Like this is a. I don't know why the light, they're just different brightness almost. James at the water cooler, you want some TA, man? That one sucks, dude. The white's not good, man. High resonance, man. I don't really implement Elliott wave into my strat to what I do, man. So we use fibs here a lot more. So M is lit AF. XRP to the moon. Almost the 786. Pulling back a little bit. Okay. So you figure we would hit the 786, or at least this look left, the horizontal line resistance, which is at 53.42 cents. We didn't hit that. We were very close, weren't we? Yeah, Billy, man. He's lit, dude. You have a new idea? Be back later. King Hong Leap. I'm sad to see you leave, man. Okay. Bitcoin equals Coors. Oh. Main average point. I don't know, dude. They may be gonna score 40. Yeah, we might score 80. Right. Can you invest in beer? Yeah, dude. Of course. I don't know if you want to, though. Craft Brew Alliance. Rising wedge, yes! Bearish breakout. Measure move $13. All right. Bouncing off the heart line of the equidistant channel. Here's your beer, your craft brewery. I guess ETF or something. I don't know what it is. It's just 1, 2 anchor points, 3 anchor points. Heart line. Here we are, bouncing off the heart line again. All right, that's it. Again, we should see $13 at some point. But here's your chart on craft beer, Miss Shaver. Change Pank. Yeah, dude. Turf coin. Yeah, dude. Definitely, dude. The Two Rivers scrub stock OTC. Oh, yeah. You want to see some Nat Gas, Pablo? Of course, Mr. Nakamoto. How could I be a technical analyst and not have beer? We have marijuanas and we have beers, right? But we can look at that nat gas, dude. Again, yeah. Hey, we hit the top of that channel. What happened? What happened? I mean, you can't make it up, dude. Pablo, you can't make it up, dude. Right? You ran up. We said there's no indication to believe that we were done running. And the next day we pumped, and you would have gotten killed if you'd have shorted there, right, dude. So, but then we hit the very top of the downslipping channel. It's beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Gotta love it, man. This is good. This stems all the way back to 2008, man. This is an extremely long-term channel right here. Very well respected. Excellent, Mr. Shaverman. Are we putting in tickers for me to look at? Shirley, what was it? The one you wanted again? I'll look at it, okay? Sorry about that. It's just late. I've been live for 3 hours now, roughly. So it's a Saturday stream, and I've been live for 3 hours. Towards the end of these things, we're just kind of, chit-chat, hanging out, just shooting the S. But I can definitely look at something you want. I saw you post it, but maybe just post it again for me because there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to scroll to see what she posted again, what ticker she wanted. I'm looking for it, okay? Yeah, we can look at Coors. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Shirley, if you're there still, okay, BSBR. Clearly, we had a downtrend. We broke out of the upside. Looks like we have an uptrend. Interesting, right? Rising wedge. Get wrecked. It's the weekly too. There's no joke. Actually, no, it's not. It's like a channel, dude. Never mind. Okay, upsloping. Oh, so it's an exhaustion flag though. Impulse up, upsloping consolidation. We know we get tired and get wrecked eventually. Yeah. Okay. At the top of the channel, great areas to go short up here. Look at the divergence, bearish divergence, triple RSI, bearish divergence. You better be careful here. Triple, the rule of three. It might be time to get destroyed. Okay. This is improper consolidation after a run that went from February 2016 to February, a 1 year long, literally 365 days, bull trend, and then you broke down higher high, higher low, higher high, technically. Exhaustion. Okay, you are setting in to get wrecked, to exhaust, to break down. Okay, so easy enough, something like this. Okay, easy enough. Oops, what? Yeah, that was right. That was right. Sorry, I'm losing my mind. That's it. Easy enough, right? Shorting up here. And you're in a downtrend anyway, right? A lower high. Probably retrace, what, 78% of the way? 78.6%? Nope, not even yet. Almost. Between the 618 and the 786. Okay, so common retrace, 618. You can't break it anytime, ever. Okay, but that's normally how it would work. You would wait for it, and then it would get up there, and it got up there. And as soon as it got up there, people started shorting it. And we're holding for a minute, but could break down all the way to the bottom, 789, right? So There you go, Shirley. There you go. Exhaustion after a huge impulse. Look at those. XR Populous, of course, man. Of course. Of course we did. Pulling back, man. Pulling back a lot. So Chaz, man. I don't know, when you hit the top of that channel, those are areas to do it, okay? Because remember, you're in a down-sloping channel, Pablo on gas, right? You're in a down-sloping channel, and you're at the top of the channel, and it's down-sloping. It's a downtrend. So shorting at the top of those channels is very, very low risk. You can't spot anything. If it keeps running, who cares? The spike up, you're exhausted. By the time you get up to that area, you cannot break those resistance points. Those are wonderful areas to go short. So we had a great opportunity up there to go short. Yeah, Crypto Trigger, it looked good, man. It looked fine. It looked fine. You disregarded that stupid wick, and it could very well be the way the market is interpreting, okay? So, yeah, I didn't think there was anything wrong with that, okay? So I've been live for, holy crap, man, 2 hours and 51 minutes. I've been overtime now for 51 minutes, y'all, okay? Getting a little sleepy, okay? After last night, I'm still kind of recovering from last night's stream, right? So, you know, it's just tough, dude. Sometimes it's tough. Sure thing, XR Populous, man. That is but Shirley, on the weekly, seeing this and this, we should have, this should be a very easy trade. This should tank hard right here, okay? This should get destroyed. Yeah, I saw that video. I think someone posted that in the Discord about Sopo Man or whatever, them not letting him, or him streaming and then not being able to stream anymore because everyone reported it. Because, yeah, arrogant, super arrogant, right? The double fireworks, Billy, man. Really? Dang, dude, did we get all those? Dang, man, 195 likes, y'all. Y'all are incredible. Thank y'all so much. And thanks for the 140 people still here. Tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Y'all are amazing, all right? Double fireworks, Sagro? No, there's no double fireworks. Thoughts on XLM? Beautiful Garley pattern right there. Wow. XABCD BSBR. Clearly in an uptrend right now, but after an impulse down. And Bitcoin volatility, thank you very much for screwing us, but that's okay. Popped to the upside, broke down, and now we're running up again. And you can see we're testing and failing to break above that 50 MA or the bottom part of this channel, so not near as strong as Ripple, despite what people might think. Okay, hold on, sneeze. Okay, so that's it, man. Or one more shot. So just holding on by your chinny chin chin. I think we're gonna have a lot more. Look, swing high. Hold on, do we do it? Yeah, hold on. Got to go with what's relative. Candle body close. Candle body close. Can't use the wick. You surpass the 382. We know our common retraces after impulses down or between. 382. Oh, what the heck, man? 382 and the 618. Okay, so the 618 would make a lot of sense because that's the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. But you can clearly see, I think, that we're touching that 50% retrace and the 50 MA. All right, critical areas of resistance. All right, positive momentum's building. And on the RSI, we have plenty of room to run if we want to. Okay, 56, we could definitely keep going seriously if we wanted. All right, that's it. The only issue you're having, you're making higher highs and your volume's dropping off. That's a bad bearish sign. So some contradicting variables going on. Greg White, thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. Jeez, man, thank you. What about fireworks and explosions? Logo dinosaur, I guess we could do that. Okay, so 3 more likes and I'll throw on explosions too. Okay, whatever. It's now time for your local meetings. It just hit 58. All right.
Oh, it feels so good!
Montana man.
Princess Riley dinner, Miu, anywhere in the US are a choice.
Princess Riley, what say you? What say you? Holla holla. Thanks, Montana man, for the $50 contribution. Much love, dude. Seriously, thank you so much, man. Wow. My God. God. Okay, Big Ken. Good 60-minute. Why not? It's been serving us well, pretty much. Big One's just continuously, just kind of throughout the show, just kind of been going sideways. We started the show kind of like right here. Right here. Going lateral. Broke the downsloping resistance, but not really going anywhere. And the volume is absolutely abysmal. It's terrible, right? What's the QR code at the top, Pablo? That's the XRP tip bot. If you want to tip me XRP, all you have to do, if you have the bot, the XRP tip bot, is you can just scan that and it tips me. It's crazy, man. It's hooked up to my Twitter. It's crazy. Big corn on the cob. Exactly. Live it out, sir, man. Chug that beer, M. I only do beer chug requests, okay? Via TTS. That's it. I need to sack the Fnatic. She's not keeping up her end of the bargain. What did she do? Julia? What? I just don't get it, Julia. Why? What did it do? I don't get it, Julia. Ask for per se in New York City. Okay, tiny French food. Is this on the Google? Per se. Thomas Keller restaurant. This is what we're talking about, dude. All these pigs so small, man. God. So we're talking about, dude. Per se. Is this it, dude? What's up, KJF? Kelly from Derivatives. Way past your bedtime, but hello. Good to see you. Opal says, oh, I'm third on your list, Montana. Montana. What say you? She says she's third. She's talking too fast, and some days she slacks off. Well, that's Streamlabs, and I think that's when people curse. And I need to adjust the variation on that, because I don't know. All right. So. Nice restaurants. Yeah, dude. This chef, man. Excellent, dude. Most excellent. Yes, Kelly from Derivatives, exactly. Opal says she's down to meet anyone in the community. She just has to do a background check first. LOL. Love right back at you, Kelly. Okay, so look, we broke the downswing resistance, but we're slightly upsloping, and we're not making higher highs than our previous highs with very low volume. Man, this is not that great. This is not the price action you're looking for. These are not the droids you're looking for. Blah. Okay. Something's got fake out, right? Okay, it's been officially 3 hours I've been live. Okay, 3 hours and 3 minutes at this point.
Oh, it feels so good!
At Opal, I just saw you tonight, but the other two are pressing you down.
Hey, Montana, he's asking Opal, how do you feel? Montana, thanks for the 690, man. Much love, dude. Seriously, thank you, dude. Look in the jar, like the left verges look like converged verges, man. They're conjoined via Pornhub. It's a fork. It's an inverse fork. It's a spork. Yeah, Billy, what does your stalker say, man? Let us know. Alright, so Probes is saying, per se is number three in the US for average food bill. What, $851 per table. Some sushi masa is over 2K per table. I don't get it, man. How is there that? Is the quality of food that much better? Is it worth that, Jeff, man? I'm about to sneeze again. Oh my god. Hold on. Hey, hey, Chris Winsett, man. Thanks to the 6.9 XRP. Okay.
Oh, it feels so good!
Thanks, brother, man. Much love, dude. Cheers. My allergies are like acting up now. I don't know what it is. I'm only allergic to dust mites. That's the only thing I'm allergic to. And I don't know why I randomly just started like getting allergies out of nowhere. It's kind of weird. All right, so I don't know. Matt Shabber, you need to get a little bit lower than 39. It needs to be like 36 or 34, right? It needs to be much lower than 39. I think that's too warm, right? Billy says she asks who that woman was that he answered in her post on Facebook. Bookface. What's Bookface, Billy man? Let me know. Oh man, my neck kind of hurts, man. Thomas Keller only has tasting menus. You don't get to choose what you eat. It's like $250 per person for just food. $350 for a wine pairing. It tastes decent. It tastes decent, but you wouldn't pay for it. Jeff, I don't get it, man. I don't understand at all. Like, how can... It's crazy, man. I guess it's... Are people just that rich that they don't care? I guess there are certain people out there that just have so much money that they don't even care that they spend that much money on food, right? Because they would not exist and their prices would not be that high if they weren't making a killing doing it, right? So, what happened to my Austin trip, Jules, man? That got derailed with the whole fallout of the whole other organization thing. That really put a bad taste in my mouth, and I have not wanted to go there because of that at all. So, whatever. Crypto portfolio, there's a lot, man. There's Coinbase, there's Binance, BitMEX, Bitfinex, Bittrex. I agree. The South has what's best for the mouth. Look at dinosaur. Pretty much, dude. Yes, there are rich people. Then you also have foodies that are those types of restaurants are on their bucket list. True. What's up, Crypto Yeti? When do I think the Princess Rally hard fork is going to happen? I wouldn't say I know about the hard fork, but maybe we might have a meeting tomorrow to discuss that. Literally tomorrow for lunch. Okay, so I probably won't stream the day because I have to drive like an hour away. So, but y'all will definitely know. Okay. There's a couple that goes to Thomas Kelly restaurant. French Laundry. It's open every night. Ugh. All the cows in Ireland are grass-fed and have the best potatoes to go with it. Oh yeah, no more potato famines, man. No more. Copious potatoes. How's Bat looking? We were just screwing around last night on Bat. I think we were drunk and screwing around. Looking okay, I guess. Hey, man. All right. But again, we're not making higher highs, right? So, yeah, like you ran up here, so we got our entry. But we're not really going anywhere yet, okay? But we did it, man. We did it. Kangs, man, kind of, right? We were just saying this might be a potential inverse double head and shoulders, slanted inverse double head and shoulders. We had to break the neckline, then the target would be up at 45.87. But again, it could crap out, but it looks like we held here. Held. What do we hold? We held the support, the left shoulder. It's potential though. It could fail. All right, so don't think that it's foolproof thing, right? We now created that right shoulder, though. That's what I was banking on, hoping would happen. We made it. We created it, but whatever, man. All right. Sweet. Looking okay. Mr. Nakamoto, thanks for bringing it up, dude. I really don't like this move to the upside and then breaking down now, though. I don't like that. $3K for Place in Chicago, dude. Holy crap.
Is that a joint?
What the fuck, I have to drive an hour? Phoenix is that long on the regular to a diff city.
Yeah, no, I'm saying like my plans hanging out with her might extend into when I have a scheduled day stream, right, Montana? That's all I meant, man. No, I wasn't complaining about it like I have to. I'm just saying like I'm going to drive an hour, right? Thank you for the 420 contribution. Much love, dude. Much freaking love. I don't know, my allergies are messing with me, dude. Really bad. What happened, Princess Riley? Why are you laughing at me? Huh? What's so funny? Oh, God, man. Killing me. I think we're still waiting on TRX, this shaft, man. We're waiting, dude. Waiting for it to move down. Okay. Yeah, we're waiting down here, aren't we? Still waiting. Okay, big triangle. Entry down here. Impulse down. Upslip price action. We could break down. Again, we're waiting for it, okay? 90% of trading is waiting. Please pull. Please pull. What? There's a bunch of weird food. Foy's guys, sea urchin, beluga caviar appetizers. Yeah, steakhouse for sure, man. Had a nice ribeye tonight. What's the traffic like in Greenbow, Alabama? Dude, Billy, man, you can't even, it's standstill all the time. We brought it, we put Greenbow, Alabama on the map, dude, okay? Hold on. I don't understand, man. I'm sneezing. That's like my third sneeze. I might need to go to the hospital. Kappa. Alright. You know what I'm saying. Like, it's, you know what I'm saying, man. TRX Justin Black Hole Sun. That's it, Billy, man. That's a nice one. I like that. I do like that. Sorry. Yeah, Montana technically did buy me a lot of dinners, so it is true, Montana, man. You have, man, and I really appreciate it, okay, dude? Jeff had it with eggs. It was decent. A lot of weird textures. Whoa. What's up, Mark Anderson, man? Came in to give me a like and let you know you freaking love us. Hey, Mark, we love you too, man. Thanks so much, Mr. Anderson, dude. Is Tron still a POS? Oh, cool, sweet. I see a false breakout triangle, and their area is valued down here at 300 sats, roughly, but then you have a tight stop, and if it craps out, who cares? But it's worth at least a shot, and then we could run it to like 370, maybe, if we hold within the parameters of it. We got this upsloping support right here. Could be heading that way, right? I don't know, man, if this would work, but we can try. Yeah, something like that, right, going on. Impulse up, down sloping. Price action, right? Should break down again. Okay. Thanks, Julia. Bless you. Pablo, man, it's the same thing as everything else, dude. But there's a lot more history. You can look at the weekly, the daily, and you have history, and it's not like crypto's so new, man. Most people don't trade crypto for a living, okay? It's tough, man. It's tough. Yeah. I'm talking about like day trading and stuff. That's right, Mark Anderson's already one of us, dude. Tron Connect. Princess Riley ribeyes are so good. Yes, they are. You're starving, Princess Riley? Well, I'm sorry. You're in Atlanta. There's plenty of restaurants, right? I look tired. Keep it up. Give it the go. Thank you, Gerardo Reyes, man. Appreciate you, dude.
Isn't there some sense of fun when you ask random chicks out from miles away that what life is free of the unknown? I'd be flighted by Opal, Princess, or Julia dinner. Not many will do that.
There is sense of fun, man. And there's, if you don't ask, you don't know, man. So, like, there's nothing wrong with asking, man, right? So, no, there is some sense of fun, dude. So, if you're asking me, man. So, dude, thanks for the 690, man. Much love. Another Verge coin. It feels so good. In the jar, man. Thank you, dude. Much love. What's crypto Yeti drinking, man? Busy, man. Waiting, man. Waiting on Greg. We're waiting, man. I think we might start retracing, which it seems like we're trying to anyway on Bitcoin. But dude, we're not making higher highs, even from our consolidation previous highs, dude. We're making lower highs, all right. So could easily just dump, man. You gotta be careful with this. We're failing to break above the 236, and when we do break above it, we just don't sustain prices very long. I mean, dude, we've got the 382 at 5,700, and we're not even coming close to it yet. Okay, so Crude Yeti's drinking a Yeti bit of this, a Yeti bit of that. Oh boy, oh my God, Crude Yeti's got Yeti jokes, man. I can't believe this, dude. Unreal. It was good. It was real good. Okay, anyway, Tron Connect. Oh. This thing's like broken, dude. Buy low, that's right. Buy the bottom of the Tron, give it a shot. If it fails, who cares? You have your stop loss set up, right, Mr. Sheverman? That's it. That's literally it. Hold on. I might be done soon, but I do have to go to the bathroom real quick. So regardless of anything, I'm going to do that, and then I'll make my decision if I should leave or stay. It's just I've been live 3 hours and 20 minutes now, right? So you'll help me figure out if I should stay or leave, right? By the time I get back. I'll be right back. Sorry, so decision time. Should the stream continue? You got time to think about it? Yeah, you know, I don't know if we want Ray on anymore. Hey man, Ray, you know, get some sleep, man. It's all good, dude. Or whatever, dude, right? We can do whatever we want. Thanks. He just got you Bob and Mr. Kenton. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, still out. Julie thinks she's a tad tipsy. Get wrecked. What's up, Eli? You love the song? Good. Glad you do, man. Crypto Trigger, I don't think there's a black light setting. I think purple is as close as you're going to get. Or maybe like blue or royal blue or something weird. I don't know, man. Weird. Okay, we're scooping, man. Thanks, dude. Black Russians versus the white Russians. Black Russians are stouter because it doesn't have the milk, right, Julia? And the milk definitely like takes the edge off, I'm sure, right? Of the drink. Turn the music and do a dance party. Okay, Mr. Kenton with 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Yeah. There you go, man. There you go. Start doing things, Billy, man. We're doing things, okay? No milk. Replace the Peter North juice with cola. Oh, yeah, you did, Julia. You did. Man, I'm struggle bus tonight. Okay, I stayed up till like 6 Eastern. 6 a.m. Eastern on last night's stream, and I'm struggling 2:30 Eastern tonight. So I've been live 3 hours and 30 minutes now. Good God, man. Good God. So yeah, Ripple is pulled back tremendously. 51.9 cents when we hit a high of 53 cents, right? So pretty substantial, dude.
Is that a joint?
Oh well, your community is lame. Last hit deuces.
Montana, you're part of the community, man. You know that, right? You are part of the community, so. Alright. Thanks for the 420, man. Hey, wait, 204 likes. I guess we should throw in the explosions, right? There you go. Explosions and fireworks. There you go for 200 likes, y'all. What's up, M. Lily? Give you a class in the AM. You should sleep. Been sipping on your cartoon. Join the stream. Sure thing, Opal. Sure thing. Appreciate you being here. Is Ripple out of the bear channel? Downsloping channel. It's trying to. The miniature downsloping channel. Yeah, it's barely. Let's do the 60-minute for you, Coinheads. See, you're out of it. Talked about back testing it, and that's literally what we've done so far. We did it, man. We got a bearish harami right here next to your nice green candle. Okay. Yep. Bearish harami. Gross. It's a reversal pattern. On 60 minutes. It's not that really. Off just a little. There we go. Perfect. Here's how we broke out the downside. When we broke back to the upside, tested the 25% trend line, used it as resistance, broke down, back tested this trend line, used it as support again, and then we rolled, broke through the 25% trend line, and then broke the downside and resistance, and now we're back testing it. We're giving ourselves so much confirmation of all these trend lines. So cool, man. Gotta love it. All right. Eli, Bagman, speculative, man. It surely could, but probably won't be good. Okay. Probably not going to be what you think. Okay, we are in a bear trend right now. All right. Long-term channel, of course, man. We broke out of that September, dude. We actually called near the bottom. We called 1 cent off the bottom on Ripple Minute. All right, here's your 4 hour. We broke it, dude. What do you want? The bear trend. We're out. We're in an uptrend now. Do you see the uptrend, man? Coinheads? Kangs. Freaking Kangs. A trend this long, this substantial to the upside. Our longer term fibs. 75.6 cents is good, as well as 87 cents for your fibs. Some people would try to fib from up here, man. I don't know, man. You could try. Go ahead. I just like using the top of the channel, the top anchor point of the channel for our fibs to swing out, swing low. And that's what I like about 75. See, we already hit the 50% retrace on that 1 week, that 1 day, right? But I think we could eventually run to that and then run to the 618. 618 being at, again, 87.5 cents, okay? We got rid of these fibs because it just gets confusing for because I'm streaming. So like if I have my longer term fibs and then I have my shorter term fibs, I can see them easy and I understand it, but it confuses so many people. So I don't like confusing people. I try to keep it as simple as possible, even though that's literally impossible. All right, not possible. Regular cocaine, Billy? I don't think so, man. Diet cocaine. Sorry, Critter Trucker, my bad, dude. I think it's just sometimes the song. It's just like the song, dude. No on Blue Waffle. Remember what I was just talking about? 75 cents and 87 cents are the 50% 618 retrace. Those are your common retraces after Nasty breakdown. That was my top anchor point. The top of the channel. So 75 and 87 seem very reasonable for profit taking levels, or at least moving your stop up. Okay. That's it. Do I ever get to Atlanta? Time to time, I got a place brother that lives over there. Been there many times, though a lot. Normally for playoff games and SEC championship games. Roll Tide. Opal went to go get a drink. Excellent. Sorry, y'all. It's like 3 hours 36 minutes. Okay, so up and pumping the gas, pumping the Peter North gallons of milk. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm freaking out. And Ripple has literally come back down and rejected. Man, we're selling off. We're back like inside the channel, pretty much just barely breaking out now. What a false breakout. For now, we got 23 minutes left, okay? No, Quinn, it's not from here. Not at all, dude. Not even close. Couple followers in Atlanta, Hotlanta. Look y'all up. Next time, you'll buy me a drink. Thanks, Opal. Appreciate that. Oh, man. Y'all, I'm struggling. I think I might get out of here. Okay. I think I'm just gonna go make some food or something like that and just like take a lid off. I've got that date tomorrow, evidently, so I'll update y'all on that on Discord throughout the day. All right. So Montana, Seth, Juliet, Skyward, Bradley, everyone, all of y'all in between. Thank you all so much for the contributions. I freaking love y'all. It's just so humbling, the support you show me day in and day out. I can't believe it, and it feels like a dream every time. So, but I will tell you this: I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, remember, I just got done streaming 3 hours and 38 minutes, so tomorrow night is probably when I'll be streaming again. So until next time, respect the TA.
You fade away into my